So ladies and gentlemen, mga kasurong, fasten your seatbelt and prepare for a spectacle of athleticism and passion. Get ready to witness the clash of the season, where sweat turns into glory, blood fuels the fire, and tears become the foundation of triumph. CAMALIGAN, mag-ingay! Asan ang mga supporters ng Team NAGA? Asan naman ang mga supporters ng Team CAMALIGAN? Once again, CAMALIGAN, are you ready? This is your Bicol Cup CAMALIGAN Finals Best of 3 Series, brought to you by none other than Congressman Saldico at ng ako Bicol Party List, katabang ng kasurumpa. Presenting now your NAGA Casereños. Introducing jersey number 17 from NAGA City, Jojo Asuel. Next in line, we have jersey number 26 from Sorsogon, Jamil Bulawan. And we have jersey number 5 from Polangui, Albay, Solomon Aureliano. Our next player is jersey number 10 from Daraga, Albay, Samuel Madridano. Jersey number 24, a former NCF standout, Julius Iborzo. Our next player is wearing jersey number 28, a team captain of the UNC Greyhounds, Joshua Villaflor. Next in line, we have jersey number 1, the team captain of NAGA College Foundation Tigers, Alexander Lee. Next player for Team NAGA from Sorsogon, jersey number 27, Owen Mendenilia. Next in line, a 16-year PBA veteran from Cebu City, jersey number 37, J.R. Ginahan. Next in line, we have the current NCF Tiger player coming from Polangui, Albay, jersey number 22, Rufino Sablaon. And to complete the players for Team NAGA, we have the rising star player from NAGA City, jersey number 19, Jerome Almario. We have the assistant coaches as well, Sir Peter Barcelon, Sir Mark Vasquez, Sir Gab Rivera, along with the team manager, Sir Shano Morano, and their head coach, Sir Nuhi Sabio. team. Next in line, we have Edilberto Fragoso in jersey number 6. Jersey number 11, a former UNC standout, Kevin Reluso. Next in line, we have jersey number 19, NCF, UNC, and NBL former player, Raymond Aquino. Our next player is a former NCF Tiger team captain, jersey number 1, Leonel Barden. We have jersey number 13, Samuel Ignacio. Next in line, we have jersey number 45, Alexis Himan. Our next player is tagged as Pinoy Mamba, jersey number 24, Kobe Bryant Pableo. Next in line, we have the former point guard of NCF Tiger, jersey number 8, Joshua Irvin Ayo. And to complete the players for CAMALIGAN, last but not the least, the MBBL veteran, jersey number 25, Baba Santa Maria. Our assistant coaches are Sir Bastes Simelio, Sir Jojo Apolonio, Sir Chano Medina, and our team manager is Honorable Mayor Diano Ibardalosa Jr. And our head coach, Sir Brian Ayo. We now invite everyone to stand up for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Players and coaches, shake hands and proceed to your benches. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your home Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Putahe El Gran
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may kamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulaon ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabos.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinat sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa ako Bicol, kadakulaon ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Magandang gabi Pilipinas, hello world, and syempre pa, Diyos marhay na banggi mga kasurog at maraming salamat sa inyo once again mga kasurog dahil napakaganda ng ipinapakita nyong suporta magmula day 1 hanggang sa ngayon. You know, we've had our bigatin quarterfinals at matapos nun yung ating Quadro Magnifico semifinals, and right now nandito na tayo nakaapak sa ating best of 3 series championship games ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And well, this historic game will not be possible without the help, the big help of our Congressman Saldeco at ang Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. Well, partner, kitang-kita naman talaga na talagang takam na yung ating audience dito sa harap para sa ating potahe en grande. Yan yung ating pamagat ng ating championship series dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Ayan, takam na sila na matikman kung ano ang i-offer nitong dalawang kupunan na magsasalpukan para sa ating finals.
Yes, partner. Konting minuto na lang, partner, at magsisimula na ang ating laro. Pero grabe, partner, nang nararamdaman ko ngayon, mixed emotions, halong kaba at saya sa ating championship game. What a roller coaster ride it is sa dalawang teams na magtatapat ngayong gabi. Dahil, partner, sila ang unang nagtapat sa ating opening day at sila rin ang magtatapos para sa ating kampyonato, partner. This is a battle of pride, greatness para si Team Naga headed by Coach Nuki Sabio, and on the other hand naman si Coach Brian Ayo will be spearheading the Camaligan, but also this is a battle not only for redemption but also their hunger to win this Putahe El Grande Championship game ng ating first ever Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg.
Ayan, at para naman sa ating game story ngayong gabi, redeeming greatness, 2 teams, 1 championship. What does it take for these 2 teams to win our Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg? Will it be about redemption or revenge, or will it be just about making your hometown proud by claiming the title? We've seen their matchup before, partner, so we would expect a more intense war between these 2 powerhouse teams. But nonetheless, hindi na nila tayo bibiguan dahil Team Naga Casereños and Team Camaligan already embodies the word greatness.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. This is going to be an exciting one. Pero that's a good game story, partner, for tonight. Battle of greatness. Pero magpakilala muna tayo, partner. Ako nga pala, ang ngayong gabi si Wadi John Bachiller, kasama aking partner na si Kuya Alex Madronio aka Kapa Morgan, bringing you this very exciting Game 1 ng ating championship finals.
Yan, maraming salamat, partner Wadi John Bachiller, for that introduction. And kagaya mo nga, ako ay talagang excited din. Kung na-excite ako nun sa ating quarterfinals at sa semis ngayon, klase yung level ng excitement mo.
Tama ka dyan,
partner.
Lalong-lalo na ating opening na pagtawag ng mga players. Talagang kabadong-kabado at same time. Napakasaya. And partner, both teams face each other sa opening game ng ating leg. Of course, they mastered their flaws, and syempre napag-aralan na ng mga coaches kung anong mga strategies ang kanilang gagawin sa ating finals for tonight. Pero partner, sa tingin mo, ano ang dapat gawin ng both teams para makausad o makapanalo ng una sa ating best of 3 finals?
Well, unang-una, this is a best of 3 series, and the team who will have the first win will have the advantage of winning the series. So sa tingin ko, yun ang magiging mindset ng dalawang kupunan na ito. If you will recall, Camaligan almost made Naga Casereños bow down in that neck-to-neck battle as we kicked off Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur last March 25. Camaligan squad need to double their effort. Start strong by matching the three-guard lineup of Naga for them to limit the possible big output of their bigs near inside the paint. Especially now that Naga has the services of a 2-time PBA champion, J.R. Kinyahan. And for Naga Casereños naman, they need to keep that underdog mentality para maiwasan ng maging overconfident sa larong ito. They must keep in minds or they must keep in their minds that Camaligan is a team to reckon with. They must try to control the tempo of the game and be always ready to adapt to any adjustments made by Camaligan.
Yes, partner, that's a good observation at alam naman natin na meron silang inanda ngayong gabi. Pero bago natin simulan, puntahan naman natin ang ating third member of the panel na si Miss Barbie para kapanayamin ang ating kasurog matchup for tonight's ball game. Barbie, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Thanks for that Coach John and Kapa Morgan. Good evening mga kasurog. This is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter for tonight's ball game. We are now on the most awaited part of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, the finals. But before everything else, let's have first a quick chit-chat with our kasurog players from Team Camaligan and Team NAGA. Magandang gabi sa inyo players. Let's start with Team NAGA. We have here Mr. Big Shot Bang Rufino Sablaon. So Bang, Team NAGA has a clean record here at Ako Bicol Cup. NAGA remains undefeated, and in order to maintain that, anong preparations ang ginawa ng inyong team for this game?
Ano lang po, nag-training kami kung ano yung mga lapses namin nung mga nakaraang laro. Tapos pinagtibay lang po namin yung mga lapses na yun, and siguro motivated din kami ngayon kasi championship na. Yun.
Thank you so much for that, Bang. And we are very excited to see kung ano pa bang kayang i-offer ng Team NAGA sa tournament na to. Anyway, on the other side, from Team Camaligan, we have here the unstoppable Alexis Himan. So, Alexis, natalo ng Team NAGA ang Team Camaligan during the opening game. And in order for that to not happen again, what adjustments and preparations ang ginawa ng iyong team for the finals?
Nag-adjust kami sa depensa namin. Tapos nag-practice kami araw-araw. Saka, nagpadlakas lang kami sa depensa namin kasi yung una pa lang hindi kami magkaintindihan. Hindi pa namin magkakakilala. Yun lang. Sabi na ng coach na kung ano yung mga ginawa sa amin ng NAGA na dumipensa lang kami daw ngayon lang. Saka sana maging masaya yung laro namin ngayon. Saka yun lang.
Thank you for that, players, and good luck on your game. Mga kasurog, we are currently live at our social media platforms, Facebook pages of Ako Bicol Online TV, Representative Zaldico, and Ako Bicol Party List. And we encourage you to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and also follow us on TikTok via Ako Bicol Cup. You can also watch the actual game for free here at the Fuerte Sports Complex located at the Capitol Grounds, Cadlan, Pili, Camarines Sur. And that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Miss Barbie. And players, good luck. And pakaabangan natin itong matchup na to, partner, kasi this is an exciting one for sure.
Alam mo, partner, hindi lang si Barbie yung makakasama natin ngayon. Kompleto yung mga courtside reporters natin. Abangan niyo po yan, mga kasurog.
Yes, yun nga, partner. Yun ang ating heto, partner. Pag-usapan naman natin ang ating Big 3 matchups. Kumbaga, ito yung mga top 3 leading scorers ng ating Team NAGA sa nakaraang Quadro Magnifico.
Ayan, nakikita nyo na nga po mga kasurog sa inyong mga screens ang ating Big 3 matchups for NAGA. Napapabilang po dito siyempre si Rufino Bang Sablaon, JR Kenyahan, and si Mon Aureliano. Ayan, para sa 2-point average, ang may pinakamataas na average dito ay walang iba kundi si JR Kenyahan with 71%. Sumunod naman po dyan si Bang Sablaon with 67% at 25% naman kay Mon Aureliano. Sa 3-point average naman, tabla sina Bang Sablaon at JR Kenyahan with 60% both. Pero alam nyo, naka 100% po itong si Mon Aureliano sa 3-point average. Ito po ay base, itong figures na ito ay base po sa kanilang naging last outing sa ating semifinals na pinamagatang Quadro Magnifico. And i-shortcut na natin yung average points ng mga players na to sa ating Big 3 ng NAGA ay ang lumalamang si Bang Sablaon with 23.0, sinundan naman ni JR Kenyahan with 19.0 at si Mon Sablaon merong 12.0. At sa Camaligan naman, ito yung kanilang Big 3. Kinabibilangan ito ni Samuel Dodoy Ignacio, Mark Lester, Babap Santa Maria, and Alexis Himan. Ayan, sa 2-point average, ang may pinakamataas na antas ay walang iba kundi ang kanilang naging kasurog player of the game last outing, si Alexis Himan with 88%, sinundan naman ni Dodoy Ignacio with 78% at si Babap Santa Maria merong 50%. And diretso na natin sa average ng kanilang mga puntos, 16 para kay Samuel at ganun din naman para kay Babap Santa Maria, samantalang si Alexis Himan ay mayroong 15.0.
Yan, pakaabangan natin, partner, yan ang top 3 leading scorers ng both teams. At para naman malaman natin, partner, ang magtatapat sa ating kupunan ngayong gabi ang para sa ating Putahe El Grande Championship game. Magtatapat ang undefeated powerhouse team na Team Naga Casireños against Dark Horse Revenge Seeker na Team Camaligan. At pag-usapan naman natin, partner, ang kanilang team stats in their Quadro Magnifico semis game.
Ayan, when it comes to team stats, sa 2-point average, nakakalamang po ang Camaligan with 69% kontra sa 59% ng Team Naga. Sa 3-point average naman, nakakalamang naman ang Naga dahil meron silang 46% kontra sa 33% ng Camaligan. At sa free throw average, konti lang yung disparity, ano, dahil yung Naga merong 54%, samantalang yung Camaligan ay merong 53%. 6.0 naman sa Naga for free throw average, samantalang 53% para sa Camaligan. 6.0 naulit ko ba? Sorry. 6.0 rebounds, that's offensive rebounds for Naga, and 8.0 naman para sa Camaligan. 39.0 sa defensive rebounding ng Naga kontra sa 28% ng Camaligan. 9.0 steals ang meron ng Naga sa kanilang previous outing, samantalang naman nakasungkit ng 11.0 ang Camaligan with regards to steals. Sa turnover, mas marami po ang naging turnover ng Camaligan sa kanilang last outing, 14.0 kontra sa 9.0 lang ng Naga Casireños.
Yes, partner, ito na ang ating finals, partner. Pakaabangan natin at yun na nga ang kanilang stats. Huwag na natin itong patagalin pa, partner. Ito na ang Putahe El Grande Championships game ng Ako Bicol Cup CamSur. Ibato na natin sa ating arena announcer na si Sir JV Espinosilla. JV, to start the game, the floor is yours.
Good evening, mga kasurog! This is your Ako Bicol Cup CamSur, brought to you by Putahe El Alright, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's introduce the players of Team Naga. Introducing the point guard, jersey number 1, Alexander Lee. Next in line, we have jersey number 19, the guard, Jerome Almario. Another guard for Team Naga, Rufino Sablaon. Jersey number 24, the forward, we have Julius Iborso. And to complete the five for Team Naga, we have JR Kinahan, the center. Introducing the starters of Team CAMALIGAN. Starting with the center, jersey number 6, Noy Fragoso. Our next player is a power forward. We have Todoy Ignacio. And we have the shooting forward, jersey number 24, Kobe Ryan Bableo. We have another shooting guard, jersey number 25, Baba Santa Maria. And to complete the starters for Camaligan, we have jersey number 45, the point guard, Alexis Iban. The coach for Team Naga is Tuki Sabio, and coach for Team Camaligan is Sir Brian Ayo. Our officiating officials are the following. The crew chief is a FIBA referee, Sir Ariel Bermeo. Our umpire 1 is also a FIBA referee, Sir Ricor Huaron. Our umpire 2 is a national referee, Sir Dennis Escaros. Our technical men, we have Sir Jojo Belen and Sir Eman Faraon. This is your Ako Bicol Cup CamSur ating
The The two best teams of our league, Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur, are now in the middle, ready for the tip-off. Magandang gabi once again mga kasurog. Ito po si Kapa Morgan kasama si John Bachiller, ang aming magiging partner sa ngayong gabi.
Yes, partner, magandang gabi sa inyo. And opening the scoring for this game is Julius Tiburcio on the NAGA side, partner. Magandang gabi sa iyo, partner.
Magandang pangitain yon for the side of NAGA.
Yes, partner. Kita mo, partner, kung gaano kadami ang nasa loob ng Fuerte Sports Complex to support this Game 1 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
At sa tingin ko, magsisigawan tayo dito
yes,
because
partner.
of the loud noise that we are hearing dito sa loob ng Fuerte Sports Complex.
Yes, partner. There is Baba Santa Maria. A good matchup against Jerome Almario. Kicks it out to Fragoso with the fake against J.R. Quinyan. Misses the shot.
Oh, medyo pinilit yun ni Noy Fragoso.
Babab against Jerome again for 3. Misses the shot, but there is Julius to grab the rebound.
Babab sa Tamaria missing his first attempt for this ball game.
J.R. Quinyan for 3. Kaboom!
Samantalang si J.R. Quinyan naman making his first ever championship shot dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, partner, napakagandang outing ng isang J.R. Quinyan even if he's a pro, but he's still playing his hearts out dito para sa ating mga kababayan sa Bicol.
Tama.
And Kobe Bryant misses the free throw, and there is a foul against Samuel Dodoy Ignacio. It's first foul. And yun ang partner, hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito sa loob ng Fuerte Sports Complex dahil sa maraming taong nanonood ngayong gabi.
1 minute gone by and it's a good start for NAGA Casereños. Meron silang 5 at 0 naman sa Camaligan.
Yes, partner, completing the 5 of Camaligan is Himan, Pableo, Fragoso, Ignacio, and Santa Maria. And on the NAGA side is
NAGA side naman, sina Jerome Almario, J.R. Quinyahan, Bang Sablaon, Julius Tiburcio, and of course, itong si Jerome Almario.
Yes, partner, hindi na pati pito ng ating mga referees, hindi na natin naririnig. And nga pala, partner, donning the white jerseys are the NAGA City and yung purple ang ating Camaligan team.
Oo, para hindi naman kayo malito kung sino ba ang sino sa naglalabang ito. Once again, mga naka-purple po ang Camaligan. Ayan, nag-inbound sila.
And Pableo attacking the baseline against 3 defenders, misses the shot. J.R. Quinyan securing the possession.
Kitang-kita ang kaba sa tirang yon ni Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Bang Sablaon for 3. Kaboom! And grabe, partner, since the Cuadro Magnifico talagang Bang is hitting those shots, talagang nadala niya yung kumpiyansa dito sa ating finals game 1.
NAGA Casereños is making a statement as early as now. Almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter.
Yes, partner, what a defense is played by Julius Tiburcio. Gives the ball to Ayana, but there is Babab to intercept the pass. Santa Maria is ahead, stops and pops using the glass but misses the shot. There is again NAGA. Alexander is ahead and flies and scores for 2!
And that's a good finish from one of the guards of NAGA, Alexander Lim.
Yes, partner, what a shot and what a statement nga, sabi mo, ng Team NAGA as early as first quarter.
Halos hindi sila nagmintis, partner, sa unang arangkada nitong ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Championship Series. Again, ito po ang ating Game 1. Nagaganap po live na live dito sa Fuerte Sports Complex sa municipality ng Pili, Camarines Sur.
Yes, partner, what more can you ask, partner? Ang granding opening, nandito lahat ng mga VIPs, nandito lahat ng mga bossing, and syempre yung mga fans na nanonood sa atin para sumuporta sa ating Game 1.
And there you go, yung mga puntos na ikinana ng mga taga-NAGA. Ang NAGA Casereños, there goes the last one made by Alexander Lim. What a finish for that guard of NAGA. Kaya reason why humingi ka agad ng ceasefire itong kupunan ng Camaligan. Sa tingin ko, partner, talagang nandun yung kaba sa kanila. Nakikita natin na those shots na try nilang i-attempt sa unang minutes ng ating ball game ay hindi nila minimiss dati yan sa mga nakaraang games nila. Pero dito, mukhang talagang naandun. Damang-daman natin yung kaba. Pero I'm sure makakabalik ang kanilang kumpiyansa. Malay natin after this time out.
Yes, and a partner, we have a pressure defense on the part of NAGA City. And ayan na si Himan against Alexander Lim. Gives the ball to Ignacio. Top of the key 3. Fakes. Ignacio. Pull-up jumper. Misses again. Ignacio grabs his own miss but misses again. Ayan na si Almario. Almario is rushing against Baba. Almario flies. scoring for 2. And partner, this is not a good sign on the part of Camaligan. They're still struggling with 7 minutes remaining sa ating laro. Pragoso is attacking against Kinyahan.
Finally!
Finally!
May pa-end 1 pa!
Yes, the score galing kay Pragoso. End 1 and partner, much important, nakakuha siya ng foul sa center ng Naga City, na which is si JR Kinyahan.
That's a costly foul on the part of JR Kinyahan for Team Naga.
Yun na nga partner, what a courageous move on the part of Pragoso attacking the 16-year veteran partner.
Oo, ibang klase. Yung pinakitang tapang nitong si Noy Pragoso kontra sa mas experience, much taller, much bigger na si JR Kinyahan.
Ayan na partner, kita mo yung matchup Himan versus Almario. This is a good matchup. 2 of the scoring guards sa ating liga. Ayan na, block ni Pragoso. Himan outlets to Babap Santa Maria. Babap is a hold. What a shot partner. And scores for 2.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
Talaga partner, this game is very unpredictable. Kanina lamang na lamang ang Naga City, but now Camaligan, Batman Sablaon with the second 3-point shot of the ball game.
Yun lang! Talagang ginantihan naman kaagad nitong si Bang Sablaon with that 3-point shot.
Living up to his name, Bang Sablaon with the banging 3-point shot. Ayan ang partner, the score is 15-5 in favor of Naga City with 6 minutes and 49 seconds sa ating unang yugtong.
It's a 10-point lead.
Himan kicks it out to Ignacio. For 2.
Ignacio!
Yan naman partner talaga.
Misfiring this time.
Yan ang maasahan sa isang Dodo Ignacio talaga. Those soft touches sa ilalim talaga. Matik yan pagdating sa labas kay Dodo Ignacio.
Don't leave him wide open sa mga ganong
Ayan na, Alexander Lim against Himan. Almario attacking Kobe Bryant. Pagleo gives the ball to Bang Sablaon with 7 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Misses the shot, rebound by Pableo. Ayan na, Camaligan is rushing, outlets to Pragoso. Gives the ball to Ignacio for 3. Misses the shot, Alexander grabs the possession. Naga is rushing, Alexander, but he loses the ball and the ball will go to Team Camaligan.
On that last opportunity by Camaligan, Dodoy Ignacio has that open look. Kaya lang medyo sumablay lang ang kanyang tira. Konting-konti na lang.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, it's a case of, kumbaga, tinitest siya talaga kung papasok, saan papasok yung tira niya. But it's a good sign pa rin talaga because yung pag tumitira si Dodo Ignacio, yung depensa ng Naga City ay lumalabas.
Oo,
so yung
talagang
guards sila are ready to penetrate inside the paint. Ayan na si Baba for 3.
And there you go! That's Babap Santa Maria! From the 3-point country.
Partner, this is going to be an exciting ball game for sure. Kasi
It is.
first quarter pa lang, makaabangan na natin si Kinyahan against Aquino.
Playing low against Raymart
Kinyahan
Aquino.
Misses the shot, but he grabs his own shot. Kinyahan, short stab, and scores for 2.
Lucky bounce on the part of JR Kinyahan.
Grabe partner, ang mismatch yun naman, height disparity ni Aquino laban kay Kinyahan. Talagang ang laki. Ayan na, si Himan, ginugulo ni Alexander Lim. Himan attacks. Himan kicks it out to Kobe Bryant, gives the ball to Babap. Babap attacks. Babap using the glass for 2.
What a shot! What a shot by Babap Santa Maria. That's how composed this guy is. Kahit
Sablaon,
nasa mga ganitong laro.
kicks it out to Lim, attacking the baseline. This is the shot. There is Himan to collect the possession. Ayan na, Himan. And we have a blocking foul on Jerome Almario.
And that's the first personal foul for Jerome Almario. At yan na nga nakikita natin. Inuna ni Coach Brian Ayo. Naging starter dito. Itong si Alexis Himan. Usually, he comes off the bench. Pero dito talagang isinalang niya na kaagad itong si Alexis Himan as we start this talagang highly intensified Game 1 ng ating Potahe en Grande Championship Series.
Yes, partner, that's a good observation kasi partner, I guess talagang in-start niya si Himan because of these 3 deadly guards ng Naga City talaga. Kaya yun ang mga adjustments na sinasabi natin during our pregame na talagang pinaghandaan nila ang ating Game 1 Finals.
They have to match the 3-guard lineup nitong Naga para siyempre matapatan ang linyada ni na Almario Sablaon at nitong si Alexander Lim.
And we're back to the ball game.
Yes, partner, we are back nga sa ating ball game. Sabi ng ating arena announcer na si Sir Jello, the score is 12-17 in favor of Naga City with 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Umabot ng 2 digits yan kanina, partner. 10 points ang lead ng Naga. But right now, 5 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol.
Babap misses the shot, but there is again Raymart Aquino with the offensive rebound and the shot. Pero there is Heman with the offensive rebound, gives the ball to Babap for 3. Grabe, partner, Babap Santa Maria is on a mission right now sa ating game 1.
Ibang klase ang composure talaga ng Babap Santa Maria.
Ayan na, coming off the bench.
Championship player talaga.
Yes, coming off the bench, pinasok na si Uwe Mendinilla to add firepower. Babap to add firepower sa Naga City. And yun na nga, Sablaon misses the shot. Babap again with a behind the back dribble. And taking the 3-point shot! What a shot, partner! Woo!
Now, CAMALIGAN is leading by 1.
Yes, partner.
The pressure is now on Naga Casereños.
Yes, partner. It is the first taste of the lead ng CAMALIGAN. What a special shot behind yan, partner. Behind the back dribble. And again, using the glass, partner. The bank is open even in midnight.
And it's the sweetest taste you will ever be tasting at this point in time.
Ayan na si Uwe Mendinilla. This is a good matchup. Ayan na. J.R. Quinyan against Aquino, gives the ball to Tiburcio with the shortstop, but blocked by Dodo Ignacio.
Ayan na, merong chance.
Ayan na, partner, what a matchup, Uwe Mendinilla against Kobe Bryant Pableo. Ayan na, Ignacio, top of the key against Tiburcio, gives the ball to Aquino for 3. Misses the shot.
Nice look, pero hindi naipasok ni Raymart Aquino ang kanyang tira from the corner.
Yun na nga, a costly turnover on the part of Villaflor. Yung pasa niya medyo sumobra kaya hindi nakuha ni Bang Sablaon. We have a substitution right now, a sharp shooter. Si Wawa Ayo pinasok ng kanyang brother na si Brian Ayo to add a outside shooting perhaps sigurado sa team CAMALIGAN.
Mas dreadful na ngayon ang CAMALIGAN with Joshua Ayo na ipasok.
What a shot, partner! Kita mo, partner, yung hesitation against J.R. Quinyan scoring a layup.
This guy is hot dito sa ating first quarter. I'm talking about Babap Santa Maria. Pero yun, bumawi si J.R. Kenyahan. And that's what he's supposed to do sa larong ito.
And a partner, Wawa Ayo against Wawa Villaflor. Ayo gives the ball to Ignacio. The piso-piso shot misses, but there is Kobe Bryant. Pableo cleaning up the mess.
Pableo saving the day.
Ayan na. The score is 22-19 in favor of CAMALIGAN with 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Bang Sablaon against Babap. Stop for 3. No good, but there is Aquino grabbing the rebound. Ayo. Outlets to Babap Santa Maria against Bang Sablaon.
It's a 3-point lead, partner, for CAMALIGAN.
Babap gives the ball. But turnover, Wawa is struggling to get the possession with 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
Nice pass
by Dono.
Nice shot!
What a shot and a good catch on the part of Ignacio, saving the pass and using the glass for his 2 points. Ayan na si Tiburcio attacking the defense. Tiburcio kicks it out to Uwe, but a turnover on the part of Julius Tiburcio.
Medyo misorganized na ang Team Naga. Isa yon sa mga nakita natin ngayon, partner, dahil under pressure na sila now that CAMALIGAN is leading.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, it's a case of na-alarma ang Naga City because nga the lead is now to the side of CAMALIGAN. Ayan si Wawa Ayo, very steady point guard. Babap with a jump step, jumps it up to Pragaso.
Nice play!
With the fake,
sayang yun!
But blocking the shot. Ayan na, Mendinilla flies and scores for 2!
What a shot! What a finish for Uwe Mendinilla for Team Naga. At may pa-end one pa.
Yes, partner. Pero nakita mo ang courage ni Wawa Ayo to disrupt or to block that shot. Even Wawa Ayo is the smallest guy on the court, but he has a big heart pagdating sa ating Game 1 championship tonight.
He almost blocked the shot, partner. Talagang nahawakan niya yung bola.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kasi take a look sa replay natin talaga. Pero hindi mo rin talaga matatawaran kung anong meron high-flying act ang isang Uwe Mendinilla.
At saka nasa puwelo na, kumbaga, itong si Uwe Mendinilla. Pero what a courage for that little guy. Actually, the smallest guy in the court right now, Wawa Ayo.
And Aquino attacks, drops it up to Pableo. Blocked by JR Quinyan. Wawa Ayo with a teardrop. Misses the shot. Wawa Villaflor securing. But he was fouled. And both teams are not yet in the penalty. So we have a base sideline throw in, partner.
Grabe. Woo! We're under 2 minutes dito sa ating first quarter ng ating Game 1 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup. Potahe en Grande Championship Series.
And a new guy for Naga City, Esmon Aureliano. Pinasok na si Jamil Bulawan and si Sam Madridano, who is now inserted by Coach Luke Isabio sa kanilang lineup.
Pinalitan na muna, pinagpahingaan nitong si JR Kenyahan. Meron na siyang isang foul.
Ayan na si Uwe Mendinilla, fakes, kicks it out to Mon Aureliano. Aureliano, strip by Bao. And yun na nga.
What a nice save for Ayo.
And yun na nga, merong foul na itawag sa ating si Mon Aureliano, partner. Binigay sa atin ng ating statistician. Babab Santa Maria alone in the first quarter has 15 points na, partner.
Grabe, ibang klase. What an explosive
first quarter.
First quarter for Babab Santa Maria.
Ayan na si Pableo using the glass against Uwe Mendinilla. And at the stare down, partner. Grabe, very animated talaga to si Kobe Bryant Pableo.
As usual.
Ayan na si Uwe against Pableo with the fake. Uwe with the long three. No good. Rebound by Aquino. Gives the ball to Babab Santa Maria. Santa Maria, one-on-one.
What a cross!
Ayan na nga, partner.
Nakakagirian na kaagad itong matchup natin. Kobe Bryant Pableo and Uwe Mendinilla. I don't know kung papasok sa ulo ni Uwe Mendinilla ang kakulitan nitong si Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Yes, ika nga, sabi nga natin mga coaches na naglalaro, kumbaga cooler heads prevail talaga dahil this is a very important game 1 sa both teams na yan. As Wawa gives the ball to Pragoso. Pragoso is struggling, stripped by Jamel. Ayan na si Wawa Villaflor, gives the ball to Aureliano. Aureliano attacks and blocked by Raymart Aquino.
What a defensive stop for Raymart Aquino. At ayan na nga.
Ayan na nga.
Hindi na
natawagan ng double technical foul, I guess, si Kobe Bryant Pableo and si Uwe Mendinilla because nagkakagire na sila as early as first quarter.
Ayan. Both players are very important sa kanilang mga koponan. Kaya they need to cool down.
Indeed, partner. These two guys talaga are very vital cause sa kanilang mga team. So talagang tama ka, they have to cool down and focus sa ating game 1.
Tama. That's the best thing that they can do.
Ayan na si Uwe, one-on-one against Kobe Bryant Pableo. Mendinilla gives the ball to Uwe. Madridano against Aquino. Madridano attacks using the glass but he was blocked and medyo nasaktan. And I guess sana hindi naman seryoso pero tumama I guess yung ulo ni Sam Madridano attacking.
I think he was hammered doon sa ere.
Yes,
and then tumama pa siya.
Salpukan sila.
Tumama pa ng bahagya sa floor yung kanyang ulo.
I guess sana this nothing serious.
Okay na siya.
With that situation, pero kita natin talaga na medyo iniinda niya yung sa ulo kanina.
At saka talagang malakas yung impact dun pa lang sa body, sa contact nila sa ere. But good thing we have this floor na merong cushion.
Yes, partner.
Ito pong court or floor ng Fuerte Sports Complex ay parang anong tawag mo dyan? Nagpa-bounce.
Opo, partner.
May cushion.
State-of-the-art facility ang meron dito sa Fuerte Sports Complex, siyempre. And yun na nga, partner, missing the first free throw. Si Sam Madridano medyo nalog siya doon sa pagbagsak niya, I guess. Pero kita mo naman, partner, yung trust na binibigay ng Naga City, but he misses both free throws. And we have 15 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. The score is 26-22.
It's a 4-point lead by CAMALIGAN.
Ayun na, Pableo with the spin.
What a nice move!
And ayun na.
At walang naitawag na goaltending violation doon.
Tingnan natin, partner.
I think that was a goaltending.
Tingnan natin, partner. Wala pa ang hinahatol ang ating mga referees. Pero what a spin, partner, by Kobe Bryant Pableo against the defenders of Naga City. Talagang nakawala siya.
Against the tallest guy in the court right now is Jamil Bulawan.
Yes, partner. Pero ang ganda talaga ng move. But he could not finish talaga because nga of the presence of Jamil Bulawan.
Okay.
Ayan na. Sam Andredano is still struggling sa ating free throw line, partner.
Oo, this is his third free throw attempt. Pero ganun pa rin. Sumablay pa rin itong si Madridano.
Ayan na si Madridano.
And finally, on his fourth attempt.
Ayan na, 4 seconds. Babap is alone. Babap is rushing. Babap momentarily loses the ball. Babap scores.
Bang! What a shot!
Beating the buzzer is Babap Santa Maria for our first quarter. What an exciting game 1 and first quarter, partner.
And that's a highlight. One of the highlights of this ball game. Ilista mo na yan sa ating mga best plays. Ang last two-pointer nitong si Babap Santa Maria. Ayan, talagang...
Santa Maria, basket counts!
There you go! That's official!
Our first quarter with a score.
What a way to end this first quarter. Intense first quarter we're having dito po sa ating Potahe en Grande Championship Series ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, partner. Partner, first quarter pa lang, nakatatlong tubig na ako, partner.
Grabe. Samantalang ako, nakalimutan ko lang uminom, partner.
Kasi this game talaga is fun to watch. Kasi tingnan mo naman yung crowd, yung suporta na meron dito sa ating Fuerte Sports Complex talaga ay punong-puno tayo, hindi magkahiyawan ng mga tao. Kanina hindi tayo magkarinigan, so maraming salamat talaga. Taos-puso kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong suporta na binibigay sa aming liga.
Sa ating first quarter, it has been indeed a championship atmosphere. Until now, talagang grabe. Feel na feel ko ang crowd, feel na feel ko ang intensity ng laban. And what a ball game we're having. And what a player we have for Babap Santa Maria, who outshines, who outshone every player in the court right now.
Yes, partner, para sa ating mga leading scorers sa nakarang first quarter, partner.
Ayan, para sa Kamaligan, pinangunahan ito, siyempre, ni Babap Santa Maria with 17 points, 1 assist and 1 steal. Si Kenyahan naman, or si JR Kenyahan ang nanguna sa NAGA with 7 points, 3 rebounds, and 1 block.
Yun ang partner. We have a new guy for Kamaligan, si Relucio, a string shooter, pinasok na ni Coach Brian, I guess, to add the scoring kasi open up para umopen ang depensa ng Team Naga City. Right now, Jerome Almario still struggling sa ating laro. Ayan na. Si Alipante natawagan ng foul. And yun ang partner ang sinasabing veterano. Double block ay in the case of Asuer kasi linak siya ni Babap nahuli ng referees si Asuer pa. What a bright this is talaga veteran Babap Santa Maria for you.
Yan ang IQ niya sa basketball, talagang matindi.
Ayan na, Ayo gives the ball to Dodoy Ignacio. Ayun na nga. Yun na, partner, hindi na nakaligtas sa ating mga referees at natawagan ng offensive foul si Babap Santa Maria.
And that's his first. We're now into the second quarter of this ball game. The championship series game 1 ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Ayan na si Jamil against Dodoy Ignacio. Double team. Jamil kicks it out to Asuer. Corner jumper. No good. Rebound by Raymar Aquino. Santa Maria heavily guarded by Asuer. Ayan, what a defense by Asuer. What a crossover, partner. And a kick out to Ignacio. Ignacio with the fake and a jumper. Misses the shot, but Jerome skying high with the rebound. Ayan na si Almario. In and out. Kicks it out to Wawa Villaflor for 3. In and out, but Asuer secures the possession again.
Maganda yung look, pero in and out yung tira.
Villaflor with the floater, misses the shot.
Another miss from Joshua Villaflor.
Babap against El Mario. Santa Maria attacks.
Trying to fish a foul from Asuer. Pero that was a clean block.
Yes, a good defense on the part of Asuer talaga. I guess Asuer was inserted in the lineup dahil nga to guard Babap Santa Maria who is now talagang nananalasa sa ating laro.
Tama.
Ayan na, Ignacio, top of the key. Clash of the Titans to partner. Labanan ng mga big man. Himan against Asuer. Himan attacks, drops it up to Aquino but misses the shot.
Sayang!
Owe is rushing. Owe against Ayo but stolen.
Himan to Ayo.
There is Ayo flying. using the glass and score!
What a halftime move by Joshua Ayo.
Yes, much to the delight. What a defense by Himan now. 50-50 balls, dumadrive talaga siya. And sayang nung partner. Almario for 3. Come on! Grabe partner.
Good shot from behind the arc by Jerome Almario.
A much needed score on the part of Naga City to stop the bleeding kasi talaga, yun na, this is just a 4-point lead on the part of Camaligan with 7 minutes remaining sa ating laro.
They cannot afford, I'm talking about Naga Casares, they cannot afford na lumamang na gusto ang Camaligan. Pero look at that, Ignacio with another 2-pointer.
Yes partner, what a pass by Wawa Ayo. Si Wawa Ayo is now the court general natin. Kumaga, he's sacrificing his offense just to make his teammates look better.
Just like what he did against the other team doon sa ating naging semifinals.
Ayan na si William Flora attacking, sidestepping, misses the shot. Jamil misses the point blank range. Ignacio gives the ball to Wawa Ayo, flies, drops it up to Relucio for 2.
What a finish! What a play for Wawa Ayo!
Grabe partner ang ball movement na pinapakita, especially si Wawa Ayo finding his open teammates for a comfortable shot.
Camaligan is telling us that we are more organized than Naga.
Ayan na, si Relucio is ahead. But a sorry miss on the part of Relucio. Sayang nun partner, ayan na si Owe. Against Himan, Owe with the crossover. Nabitawan ang bola. At yun na nga.
And Owe Mendinilla can't handle that ball. And we have a timeout right now.
No partner, it's a substitution partner.
Oh, it's a substitution.
It's a platoon substitution on the part of Naga City, replacing
Okay.
4 players. Tinira lang si Jerome Almario to, I guess, to rescue the scoring kasi medyo lumalamang na. This is so far, I guess, the biggest lead of Camaligan with 8 points.
8-point lead again at 6:41 dito po sa ating pangalawang yugto ng ating best of 3 series, the game 1 dito sa ating Montaje en Grande, the Ako Bicol Cup Championship Series.
Ignacio for 3, come on! Ayan na partner, Kobe Bryant, Pableo guarding Kinyan. Ayan na, Almario against Himan, flies and scoring for 2.
Looks like an easy 2 for Jerome Almario.
It's a miscommunication on the part of Ignacio, Pableo and Himan talaga kanina dahil nakawala nga si Almario with that layup. Ayan na si Ignacio against Kinyan. Ignacio, what a shot, but misses the shot. Grabe partner yun talaga.
Grabe, niyoyo pa yun.
Ayan na si Bang Sablaon against Pableo. What a defense. And he was to block, but there is a foul na tinawag kay Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Heavy defense on the part of Kobe Bryant Pableo. But too bad, he was called for a foul. And Bang Sablaon will be shooting 2 free throws for Team Naga. A chance para matapyasan itong kalamangan. It's a 9-point lead.
Yes, and Bang Sablaon hearing the oohs and ahs sa mga drums ng Camaligan side, but calmly sinks the first free throw partner. And syempre partner, this game would be impossible kung wala ang Ako Bicol Party List, and syempre headed by Congressman Saldico. Yun na nga partner, katabang na kasurok na. What a wonderful experience sa atin to partner dito sa Camarines Sur.
Yes indeed.
Ayun na nga, with 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa ating first half, the score is 30-37.
And nakita na natin ang full court pressure na ibinibigay ng Team Naga kontra.
Ayan na si Pableo for 3, misses the shot. Julius Tiburio secures the rebound. Ayan na, Bang Sablaon against Ignacio, double team. Ayan na si Almario using the glass, but misses the shot. Tiburcio secures the rebound. Tiburcio kicks it out to Kinyan. Almario for 2.
What a finish for Jerome Almario.
Yun na nga partner, kanina nakita mo talaga ang unselfish play on the part of Kinyan, finding the match open Jerome Almario.
Oo, kasi mas higher percentage yung pwesto nitong si Jerome Almario for that particular shot.
Yes partner, kita mo ang matchup ni Almario against Himan partner. 2 scoring guards, pero tingnan mo naman kung paano dumipensa ang isang Jerome Almario. And now kita mo naman medyo may lambingan ng konti ang dalawa. Ayan na si Himan.
Talagang medyo hirap si Alexis Himan with Jerome Almario in front of him.
Ayan na si Himan.
And there you
loses the
go.
ball. Outlets
Yan
to Alexander Lim against Wawa Ayo is
And
scoring for
yan!
2.
Yan ang epekto ng matinding depensa ni Jerome Almario.
Yes, talaga, what a pressure defense on the part of Armario, preventing the offense of Camaligan. And now, what a good pass, outlet pass kay Alexander Lim and finishing with a foul.
Ending up with a good transition play for Team Naga. And right now, meron pang end one itong si Alexander Lim after making that two-pointer.
Yes, partner, he was fouled by his partner. His buddy, sabi na, the former NCF Tigers na si Wawa Ayo and si Alexander Lim, I guess, sabi sa akin na ng ating mga spectators, they are good buddies talaga daw. So they're enjoying this game for sure.
We're down the halfway of our second quarter at 3 na lamang po ang lamang nitong Team Camaligan. Nasa kanila ngayon ang bola.
Ayan na po, Barde brothers are in for Camaligan. What a teardrop by Marjon Barde, misses the shot. Alexander. Fake pass. Drops it off to Bang Sablaon against Leonel Barde. Sablaon is attacking. What a shot,
What
partner.
a shot! What a finish for Bang Sablaon!
Hanging in mid-air and using the glass for 2. Grabe naman yun, partner.
Using both hands.
Yes, partner.
He can either shoot left or right.
Ayan na si Babap again for 3, misses the shot. Alexander Lim securing the possession. Outlets to Tiburcio. Tiburcio attacks and scores for 2.
Naga City is once again leading this ball game.
Yes,
by 1
partner.
point.
Yan na nga, the lead is now back to Naga City with that layup na galing kay Julius Tiburcio. Ayan na, Pableo hands it off to Barde. Ayan na si Sir Barde. Outset Bap Santa Maria for 3. And now he is struggling sa ating 3-point line. Lim gives the ball to Kinyahan.
2 consecutive
Ayan na si
missed
Lim
shots.
attacking. Kicks it out to Uwe for 3. No good. Rebound by Tiburcio. But nakuha ni Babap ang defensive rebound. Ayan na si Babap against Alexander Lim. Babap kicks it out to Barde. Barde attacks. What a pass. And Barde loses the ball. Ayan na si Uwe. What a defense by Leonel Barde.
Yes, nice defensive stop on the part of Barde.
Ayan na si Pableo. Misses the shot, but there is Ignacio securing against Quinyan. Fall away for 2.
What a veteran move against a veteran player.
Yes, partner, labanan ng mga big sa ilalim na may tira sa labas. And now, the score is 39-38. Lumipat ulit ang lamang sa Camaligan side.
39-38. 3
Ayan.
minutes and 4 seconds.
Tiburcio attacking. Meron tayong reach in.
Number 25. Baba. That's his second.
Yun na nga. Meron tayong substitution on the part of Camaligan. Si Kobe Bryant Pablelo lumabas, pinalitan. Si Fragoso, medyo nahirapan tumayo. Si Tiburcio, medyo nasaktan siya doon. And syempre, with the sign of the cross to guide by ating Panginoon. And yun na, the lead is now back to Camaligan with exactly 3 minutes remaining sa ating first half.
Pero natawagan on that last play itong si Babap Santa Maria for Team Camaligan, and that's his second personal foul.
Yes, partner, hindi na tayo dito magkarinigan sa loob.
Oh, grabe.
Hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito sa loob because yung mga drums nga nandito sa ating. Ayan na si Kinyahan.
Almost a steal
Kinyahan
for Fragoso.
loses the ball.
And there you go, finally.
Hey, intercepted by Bon Aureliano. Ayan na si Baba for 3.
Boom!
Santa Maria for 3.
Another big three-pointer from Babap Santa Maria.
Yes, after those 2 consecutive miss ni Babap, yun na, gumanti na siya. Ayan na si Lim. Binigay kay Uwe at the free throw line.
Wala.
Still struggling Tiburcio, but there is Ignacio Tiburcio again. Grabbing those offensive rebounds and scoring for 2.
Good hustle on the part of Julius Tiburcio.
Yes, struggling now si Uwe Medinilla, but there is Julius Tiburcio rescuing Team Naga. Ayan na si Babap. Grabe, partner.
Another nice shot from this nice guy, Babap Santa Maria.
Partner, this is just the first half and si Babap may 20 plus points na nilalaro sa ating gabing ito. Ayan na si
Meron na
Alexander.
siyang 23 points if I'm not mistaken.
Alexander Lim gives the ball to Kinyan for 3. Come on! What a shot!
Badly needed shot
Yes.
from that big guy.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Babap against the much taller Bang Sablaon. May pick na binibigay pero ayaw gamitin ni Babap. Babap against Bam. Stops for 3. Misses the shot. Alexander Lim grabs the possession. Gives the ball to Women. Dinilla flying, but misses the shot. But what a pass. And he was hacked during his layup and he will troop to the line for 2.
And siguro kung wala yung defense na yon committing a foul against that high-flying Uwe Mendinilla, I think he could have made that shot and for a possible 3-point play. Pero hindi niya na i-convert that last play. Anyway, nasa free throw line naman siya for 2 free throws.
Yes, partner. Lumapit ang ating writer na si Sir Iris para makita sa akin ang 9,000 plus viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa ating Game 1 of the Finals.
Ako, partner, I'm really expecting a 15,000 live viewers na yung gabi.
Sana, partner, keep it coming at maraming salamat sa suporta na binibigay sa aming liga.
Okay, and well, Uwe Mendinilla is struggling from the field pero na-convert naman niya yung 2 free throws na yon.
Yes,
reason why yung Naga na po ang nakakalamang ngayon ng isang puntos, 45-44, under 2 minutes to go sa ating second quarter.
Fragoso against J.R. Quinyan, misses the shot. Ayan na si Tiburcio, gives the ball to Sablaon against Barde. What a shot, partner, by Bang Sablaon.
Another spectacular finish for Bang Sablaon.
Grabe, partner, ang intensity na panapakita. This NCF Tigers guys talaga are now taking over. Siyempre, si Lim and si Bang Sablaon is now spearheading Team Naga right now.
And they're leading by 3 with 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Ayan na, partner. Babap Santa Maria is heavily guarded by Asuer. Babap. Ayan na, partner. With 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Babap against Asuer. With the fake, gives the ball to Aquino. Top of the key, fakes. 4 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
That's a wild shot na mula kay Raymond Aquino.
Ayan na si Lim. Attacks against Marjon. Barden drops it up to Quinyan with the fake. And medyo nang hinayang siya on that part kasi alam niya that shot is very doable sa kanya.
Easy na yun para sa kanya, kaya lang he didn't expect na mayroong sasabit pa sa kanya.
Yes, partner, kita mo yung patience na meron ng isang JR Quinyan after trailing na mabilis na unlikely sa big man. Yun ang sinasabi ng coaches. Pag talaga nauna ang kakampi niya, kakampi mo, dapat mag-trail ka pa rin for a possible pass or pag nagmintis yung tira, meron possible putback.
Tama, and that's what this guy has been doing for the past 16 years.
Yes, partner.
As a pro player, itong si JR Quinyan from Cebu City.
Yes, partner, pero JR Quinyan inside the court, nakita mo nakakatakot with those status, pero today na lumapit ako sa kanya, very approachable, napakabait talaga.
Tama.
So talagang that tattoos, hindi siya para maging mabait. So talaga kudos to JR Quinyan for gracing our tournament.
So don't judge a person with his tattoos.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Even the best tattoos, medyo mabait talaga. Ayan na, Wawa Ayo against Bang Sablaon. Ayo na, partner, medyo nagkakagirian tayo doon.
Nagkakagirian si Bang Sablaon at itong si Asuer.
What a block! What a sequence, partner. Kita mo yun, partner, doon. Talagang,
woo! Ganon ka-intense po ang ating unang game sa ating Potahe Grande Ako Bicol Cup CamSur Championship Series. Nakakalamang po ang Naga ng 4 na puntos, 48-44, 21 seconds remaining.
Yes, partner, seesaw ball game na meron tayo ngayong gabi talaga. Grabe, napaka-exciting ang larong ito. Ayan na si Asuer. Yun ang intangibles na hindi nakikita sa ating mga stat sheets. He is guarding now the best player of his opponent. Kaya kudos to this guy, Asuer. Ayan na si Wawa Ayo. Ayan na, partner, si Asuer talaga is living to his moniker talaga na a defensive stopper, partner.
What a pesky guard on the part of Team Naga. Itong si Asuer.
Yes, partner. Lumapit ang ating si Sir Jojo para sabihin na these officiating officials pala are not from Bicol.
Yeah.
Galing pa ito sa Metro Manila, partner. Ganun ka-special. Kumbaga, alam naman nating magagaling na ating magigiting na referees dito. Pero pinaghandaan natin para naman they are both FIBA referees, coach, lahat sila. So very experienced pagdating sa this kinds of ball game.
Okay, yung ating crew chief si Ariel Permeo who's a FIBA referee. Itong umpire 1 natin si Ricor Buaron was also another FIBA referee. Yung umpire 2 natin si Dennis Escaros, a national referee. Ayan, and yung technical man natin, of course, Mr. Jojo Belen and Commissioner Eman Paraon. Kaya pagdating sa officials ay talagang very reliable. Hindi naman sila perfect but they close to very accurate.
We're back to the ball game. 12 seconds remaining time. Right score.
Yes, we have 12 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Sa ating first half, yun na nga partner. Camaligan has the possession. Gives the ball to Wawa Ayo. Fakes. Jumper for 2 misses. But there is Fragoso. Cleaning up the mess. Era si Sablaon.
And that's the first point made.
Rushing. Gives the ball to Aureliano for 3. No good. And that ends, ladies and gentlemen, our first half with the score of 46-49. What an exciting first half, partner.
Oo. Indeed. A very exciting one. Tatlo lang po ang kalamangan ng kupunan ng NAGA, ang NAGA Casareños kontra sa Camaligan. And well, what a way to start our first half. And kami po ni Wadi Jan Batselier at ako naman po si Kapa Morgan ay magbabalik matapos po ang ating halftime break. Yan lamang po kayo.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Missibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Missibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Hello mga kasunod. So welcome sa ating paraffol brought to you by Congressman Saldico at Ako Bicol Fuerte.
Yes, at bilang pasasalamat ng Ako Bicol Fuerte brought to you by Congressman Saldico, salamat sa patuloy na suporta ninyo sa aming palaro. Magkakaroon tayo ng raffle draw kung saan magkakaroon kayo ng chance na manalo ng mga prizes, which are 4 pieces of Eco Tools, 5,000 pesos, and a brand new Yamaha motorcycle. Ayan, imagine, nanood na kayo, mayroon pa kayong chance na umuwi ng mga prizes. With that,
Yes, simply to give the mechanics, so yung mga inuupuan nyo po sa inyo na yan. So wag po tayo magpapalit ng upuan kasi meron po tayong mga number on the chair. And once your number is full, come down here and receive your prize. And so, pasensya na po sa mga walang proper na upuan. So, at least we're enjoying the game. So, punong-puno po. So, salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ating Ako Bicol Cup CAMALIGAN 2023.
ayan, to start off, may we request the presence of Sir Dennis Sheet, distributor of Eco Tools, to be with us to draw. Sino nga ba ang 4 lucky winners na makaka-receive ng Eco Tools?
And once your number is full, kunin niyo po yung number sa upuan and samahan niyo kami dito to enjoy your prize.
For our first lucky winner, we have number 327.
327! Our next lucky number is 649! 649! Punta ka na dito at kunin ang iyong premyo. Mula saan ka man, 649. Congratulations! Kunin yung number at dalhin dito sa amin. Receive an amazing prize.
Our third lucky winner is number 1655. 1655.
1655, punta na dito. And for our last winner, for the tools, congratulations! You are sitting at the right place. Number 9! Congratulations! Seat number 9! Asan ang seat number 9? Seat number 9, wala. Eto, si Sir. Congratulations.
And to continue this round, Sir Angelo, may maswerteng mananalo ng 5,000 pesos.
Taas kamay sa gusto mong manalo! 2,000, 2,000 na. Next time tayo. 5,000 pesos. So again, merong 2 lucky person na mananalo ng 5,000. Sino gusto ng 5,000? Alright!
And may we request the presence of our honorable mayors, Mayor of NAGA City and Mayor of CAMALIGAN, to be here with us and to do the honor. Mayor Ibardaloza and Mayor Nelson Legacion.
Alright. The first lucky winner from the Mayor of CAMALIGAN.
Okay, number po. Number 276. 276.
276! Nanalo ka ng 5,000 piso! Punta na dito! Nanuhan lang ng basketball, may 5,000 na malaban natin! Congratulations! Alright! Grabe na makaswerte! 5,000! And for the next lucky winner of our 5,000 pesos, we are lucky to have Honorable Nelson S. Legacion to pick the lucky number.
Diba, Ika? 240. Gusto mong manalo? Iba yung number. 1430. 1,430.
1430, meron ba? sa mga wala pang na-receive, don't you worry kasi meron pa tayong grand prize. Isang brand new motorcycle. Guys, sino kaya ang uuwi na may motor? Diba? Naglakad ka or nag-commute ka papunta dito. Pag uwi mo, may motorsiklo ka na. Of course, it's brought to you by ako, Bicol of CamSur and Congressman Saldico. Hindi mo malungkot. O parang ayaw daw sabi ni Mayor. Hindi lang siya makapaniwala, Mayor. Dahil nanalo siya. Alright, congratulations to our two lucky winners. And thank you both to the Mayor of CAMALIGAN and Mayor of NAGA City for joining us here on the board.
And for the grand prize, who will receive the brand new Yamaha motorcycle?
Sino gusto ng motorsiklo?
Ayan. We will only have one lucky winner for tonight. Pero, hindi pa nagtatapos dahil sa Game 2, which is on Friday, mamimigay ulit ang ako, Bicol Party List ng another brand new motorcycle.
Palakpakan naman dyan! Very generous ang ating liga.
Ayan, to start, may we request our Commissioner Lloyd Rivera to do the honor.
Sino kaya ang lucky winner ng brand new motorcycle?
Number 220. 220.
Alright, congratulations! Mukhang bagay na bagay kay Sir ang kanyang bagong Yamaha motorcycle. Thank you, Mr. Lloyd Rivera, and to our honorable mayors, and of course, Congressman Saldico at ang ako Bicol Party List. Alright, again, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang ating paraffol. On the second game on Friday, meron tayong Yamaha Fascio that's worth 93,000 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So wala kayong gagawin, i-enjoy nyo lang ang laro at mauupo at may chance na kayong manalo ng motorsiklo. So once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sponsors. Thank you so much, Mayor and our Commissioner, Sir Lloyd Rivera and Sir Ino Rivera.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, kadakulaon ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Nagbabalik po ang inyong mga abang lingkod, Kapa Morgan kasama si Wadi Jan Batsilier para sa ating full coverage ng ating Ako Bicol Cup CamSur Championship Series na tinaguriang Putahe en Grande dahil matapos nga ng ating semis na tinagurian naman nating Quadro Magnifico, ang ating appetizer ay eto na nga, Putahe en Grande na po ang aming ino-offer sa inyo mga kasurog ngayong gabi.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Indeed, napakagandang first half ang meron tayo, partner. Kasi yung lamang talagang palitan. So, kitang-kita mo kung gaano yung adjustments na binibigay ng mga coaches especially. And syempre, yung mga players, syempre on the side of CAMALIGAN, si Babab Santa Maria with a very good start. And on the part of Naga City naman, talagang total team effort para makadikit at lumamang din sila as early as first half.
Oo. Maalala natin sa pag-start ng ating laro ay Naga or the Naga Casireños started out strong. Talagang malakas yung kanilang umpisa. 10-0 run kung matatandaan nyo. Pero unti-unti binuhat ni Babab Santa Maria ng CAMALIGAN ang kanyang kupunan with that big 15 pointers. 15 points na nagawa niya sa unang yugto ng ating laban at lumamang sila. Pero sa pagtatapos po ng ating second quarter or first half ay nakakalamang ng 4 na puntos itong mga taga-Naga.
Yun na nga, we are now heading sa ating third quarter ng ating laro. Guess this is a game for sure talagang pakakaabangan dahil ito na, kumbaga nakita na ng both teams kung paano sila mag-a-adjust and yung mga strategies, so kailangan tingnan natin at pakaabangan natin kung anong meron sa ating third quarter.
Alam mo partner, sa mga series na ganito ay talagang malaki yung tsansa na manalo sa kampyonato ang kupunan na unang nananalo. So sana alam ng bawat kupunan na yan na gano'n ang magiging senaryo. And right now mga taga-Naga ang unang kahawak ng bola.
Yan na, what a short stop on the part of JR Quinyan and a good recognition on the part of Almario. Grabe partner si JR, talagang very calm and composed.
Oo, and a good start for Team Naga.
Yes, the lead is now up to 5 points naman pa rin ang Naga City. What a defense by Tiburcio and Lim. Hanging in mid there, but misses the shot.
Oo, Lim cannot finish on that particular one. Pero eto na, ang mga taga-Camaligan naman.
Ayan na si Pableo for 3, challenged by JR Quinyan. And a stare down by Kobe Bryant. Pableo after the 3-point shot.
Asahan mo na yan kay Pableo.
And now the lead is up to 2 points na lang on the Naga City side. Ayan na, hearing the drum for ayan na si Almario attacking, missing the shot. Ignacio grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Babap against Almario, crosses over. Babap using the glass, misses the shot. Tiburcio.
Medyo sobra yung pektos niya.
Ayan na Tiburcio. Attacks, but there is Almario, but I saw him miss on the part of Jerome Almario. Pableo is ahead against Tiburcio. Pableo kicks it out to Baba for 3. Come on! And now the lead is in the side of Camaligan with that booming triple hatid sa atin ni Babap Santa Maria.
Yan ang unang tira, or actually pangalawang tira ni Babap Santa Maria, and finally naipuslo niya ang 3-point shot na yon.
Ayan na, Sablaon. Sablaon, one-on-one against Ignacio, attacking and using the glass for 2. Grabe partner.
Strong move on the part of Bang Sablaon.
Yes, partner.
Kontra sa mas malaki na si Dodoy Ignacio.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si Himan. Talagang pinagpaglang ang depensa ni Lim. Ayan na, Pableo. Top of the key. Short jumper.
Same
Misses the shot.
Different result.
But there is Himan. But he stepped on the line. Ayan na, Santa Maria and Malra is now talking each other. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging kalalabasan ng tira ng dalawang to. Pero yan si Bang Sablaon against Himan. May pick na binigay si Tiburcio. Sablaon, top of the key, Trey Cabot! And yun na partner.
Ganon kakumpiyansa ang isang Bang Sablaon.
Yes, partner, Bang is now taking over. Kasi partner, usually slow start si Bang lagi sa laro. But ayan na si Baba, top of the key, Trey. Misses the shot, but there is 3 violet shirts grabbing the offensive. Ignacio sa ilalim, fakes, kicks it out to Himan, outlets to Pableo. Pableo against Tiburcio. Pableo spins. What an up and under, but misses the shot.
Sayang.
Sayang partner, naputukan kasi hindi tumama ang tira ni Kobe Bryant Pableo sa ring.
Tama. Maganda sana inuunti-unti niya itong yung depensa itong si Tiburcio. Nakuha niya na makalapit sa ring pero he cannot finish.
And Almario against Babap Santa Maria. Almario with the spin, hanging in midair, misses the shot. Pableo grabs, but there is Alexander Lim to clear up the possession. Sablaon again, attacks, kicks it out to Almario for Drake. In and out, rebound by Dodoy Ignacio. Outlets to Babap against Lim. Babap squeeze in, using the glass but misses the shot.
Naga na ngayon, may tanga ng bola.
Sablaon is ahead against Ayo. Sablaon attacking, using the glass in and out. Pero nakuha ni Lim ang bola. Quinyan clears the possession. Against Himan, Quinyan, short stop. No good, rebound by Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Nice look on the part of Kenyahan, pero mintis lang yung kanyang tira, sayang.
Yes, partner, what a hustle being displayed by this number 24 guy from Naga City na si Julius Tiburcio. Nung first half pa siya, partner, talagang diving for the loose balls, getting those 50-50 balls, and doon naman talaga maaasahan ang isang Julius Tiburcio.
Tama ka dyan, partner. 56-52, nakakalabang pa rin po ang Naga ng 4 kontra dito sa Camaligan at 6 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup Putahe en Grande ng Championship Series at sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
Ayan na si Wawa Ayo, 2 against 2. Wawa stops, gives the ball to Ignacio for 3. What a pass on Joshua Ayo.
That one was brought to you by Hotel Venecia.
Yes, partner. What a good recognition on the part of Wawa Ayo, finding this big man na nagtitrail. Pero sa ibabaw, yan na si Almario, thinking 3 and answering back.
Binawi naman kaagad nitong si Jerome Almario. Ang 3-point made by Dodoy Ignacio.
Answering back the 3-point shot is Jerome Almario talaga, partner. Di tayo magkahimayaw dito sa loob ng Fuerte. Himan attacks, fall away, kicks it out to Ignacio. Ignacio with the fake. Ayan na Pableo attacking against Kinyan using the glass and scoring for 2. Grabe, partner, ang determinasyon ng isang Kobe Bryant Pableo against si Kinyahan.
Nandun yung kanyang killer instinct.
Yes, ayan na. Alexander Lim drops it up to Tiburcio with the fake. Misses the shot.
Nice fake, but a different result for his shot.
Ayan na, Pableo. One-on-one against JR Kinyahan.
A chance to lead in this ball game now.
Ayan na si Pableo. Inside, Pableo attacks, misses the shot. Himan kicks it out to Baba up top of the kit tray. Misses the shot. There is Julius Tiburcio again, grabbing those defensive rebounds.
Ang ganda ng depensa!
What a defense displayed by Alexis Himan, forcing a turnover on the Naga side. Grabe, partner.
Manonotice natin na itong si Alexis Himan ay hindi masyadong nakakapag-contribute offensively, but defensively, talagang nandoon ang kanyang presence. Even sa rebounding, maaasahan mo itong guard na ito ng Camaligan.
Yes, partner, he is a do-it-all guy pagdating sa Camaligan. Lalong-lalo na, very evident, sabi mo, he is now struggling pagdating sa opensa. But yun ang sinasabi ng mga coaches natin. Even you're struggling sa offense, kailangan bumawi ka in any way or in any aspect sa larong ito.
Tama, tama. And buti naman at binibigyan siya ng tamang oras ng kanyang coaches.
Ayan na Pableo against Kinyan with the spin, up and under. Alahoy natira, misses the shot. Kinyahan was fouled by Alexis Himan. There is Alexis Himan showing signs of sportsmanship after those foul. Inapitan niya si Jerry Kinyan na nagsorry siya. Good thing. That is a good thing sa ating mga manlalaro na this game is about sportsmanship pa rin.
Nakita mo sa mukha ni JR Kinyahan yung frustration after that foul by Himan, pero sabi niya, foul lang, hindi sinasadya. Talagang it happens in the ball game. Ganun ka-veteran itong si JR Kinyahan.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si Almario. Long three. Bang! You cannot leave wide open. Ganon ka wide open si Jerome Almario because he has a decent 3-point shot, partner. And now the score is 57-62 in favor of Naga City.
A 5-point lead.
Ayan na Pableo against Kinyahan for 3. No good. Rebound by Ignacio against 2 white shirts and scoring for 2.
Yon ang luxury na meron kang isang Dodoy Ignacio sa iyong team.
What a pick, partner. Kita mo yun, partner. Yung pick na binigay ni Kinyahan over kay Himan. Almario against Santa Maria kicks it out to JR Kinyahan. JR attacks and
easy money! Grabe kay JR Kinyahan.
Now JR Kinyahan is working sa inside. Ayan na si Pableo against Kinyahan. Crosses over. Pableo loses the ball. What a defense displayed by the 16-year veteran na si JR Kinyahan.
Tinayuan lang siya.
Yes,
tinayuan lang si Pableo nitong si JR Kinyahan.
Pero partner, yung courage...
Wala lang nagawa itong si Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Pero yung courage na meron si Kobe Bryant Pableo attacking those veterans, and kudos to Kobe Bryant Pableo for that.
Tama, tama.
Ayan na si Almario, may pick na galing kay JR Kinyahan. Crosses over Aquino with the spin and scoring for 2!
What a finish by Jerome Almario!
What a dribble display!
At ayan, maririnig mo ang hiyawan ng crowd dito sa loob ng Fuerte Sports Complex.
Yes, after that shot of What a crossover by Himan. Attacks. Yun na nga, partner. Malamak tayong galaw ni Alexis Himan. Answering back with that another highlight reel.
Hindi po pupuntos ha. Eto, puntos to.
Ayan na.
5-point lead.
Almario misses the 3-point shot, but there is again Tiburcio securing the possession and cleaning up the mess for Naga City.
Natalo niya doon sa possession itong si Dodoy Ignacio.
Ayan na, Babab Santa Maria heavily guarded by Almario. Ayan na, Santa Maria behind the back dribble. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanyang shot clock, Himan again securing the possession. But the ball will go again to Camaligan side.
So Jerome Almario on both ends of the floor is spectacular.
Yes, partner,
Talagang
playing both.
tumitira sa opensa, tumidepensa ng matindi.
Yes, partner.
Babab Santa
What a
Maria.
pass by Babab Santa Maria to the cutting Alexis Himan. And partner,
meron tayong report mula kay Jessa. Jessa May Navales, please come in.
Good evening, Kapa, Morgs, and Coach John. The long wait is over as we officially started the most anticipated Best of 3 Championship Series of Ako Bicol Cup. CAMALIGAN unang nagtapatan sa pagsisimula ng elimination round. Muling maghaharapan para sa kampiyonato. Indeed, a battle of powerhouse here in CAMALIGAN. Coaches of Team NAGA acknowledge the players for having a good starting point. As per assistant coach.
So maraming salamat Miss Jessamay Navales para sa iyong report. And again, sabi nga natin kanina, kasama natin in full force itong mga courtside reporters natin. Nandiyan sina, of course, Miss Cassandra Seton na nag-host kanina sa ating halftime games. And of course, we have Miss Carmela Hernandez. And right now,
ayan na, Wawa Ayo steals the ball. Ayan na si Babab. Again, 3 white shirts, stops and pops for 3. No good, but there is Wawa Ayo tapping again to Babab Santa Maria for 3. Kaboom!
Finally! Nagkaroon siya ng mga several attempts bago making that last attempt.
Yes, partner, talaga grabe itong si Babab Santa Maria. He is feeling right now. Ayan na si Lim. Kicks it out to Wawa, Villaflor for 3. Kicks it out to Jamil, medium range jumper. No good, but there is Jamil. Again to cleaning up the mess, but misses the shot. Asuwer. Ayan na, Wawa is ahead against Asuwer and scoring for 2.
Yes! What a finish for Wawa Ayo.
And now, tabla na tayo sa ating laro with 68 all with 50 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Asuwer is open for 3. In and out, rebound by Babab. Ayan na, violet shirt.
Chansang lumamang ang mga taga-Camaligan right now.
Babab against Asuwer with 38 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Asuwer guarded Babab. Ayan na, may pick na galing kay Himan.
Again, tabla po tayo mga kasurog. Ayan
Babab
ang
for
tira!
3. In and out, but there is again Himan. And Asuwer with 25 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Gives the ball to Tiburcio. Attacking Pragoso and using the glass for 2. We have
Nice decision sa parte nitong si Tiburcio na itidiretso na niya.
10 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Himan, one-on-one against Alexander Lim. Spins, attacking, but blocked by Julius Tiburcio. And we have 4 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
And still, mananatili ang bola sa pagbabalik natin sa kamay ng mga naka-purple o naka-violet, which is Team CAMALIGAN. Grabe, yung intensity at you can hear talaga na napakalakas ng crowd dito sa loob ng ating Fuerte Sports Complex kung saan ito yung venue natin sa ating unang laro ng ating championship series na tinaguriang Potahe en Grande. Ayan, piyestang-piyesta, no? Nagugutom tuloy ako sa pamagat ng ating championship series na yan. And ito, tinitingnan natin yung squad ng CAMALIGAN. Again, sa pagbabalik natin, meron tayong 4 seconds na natitira. And titingnan natin kung ano magiging strategy nitong CAMALIGAN.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. This is a very important possession coming, kumbaga ending the third quarter, I guess, to regain their composure sa pamalapit na fourth quarter. So talaga, this is a good timeout of Coach Brian Ayo. And we'll see what adjustments he will made sa ating nalalabing 4 na segundo sa third quarter.
Tatlo ang mga posibleng senaryo. Maaring makalamang sila, makatabla, or hindi makascore at magtapos ng third quarter na nakakalamang ang NAGA ng 2 points.
Yan, tingnan natin, partner, ang design play na pakaabangan natin. Watch out for Baba Santa Maria and Wawa Ayo using the pick for a possible 3-point shot. And the pass was deflected. What a defense is played by Owe Mendinilla with 0.55 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. And
I think yung naging problema ay yung sa pagpasa nitong si Alexis Himan. Right now, still down dito sa ating sahig at medyo hinahawakan yung kanyang tiyan.
Sa may parting rib cage, partner.
Tama. Mukhang nabagsakan siya ng...
I hope this is not a serious case on the part of Alexis
player.
Himan, because he is now the heart and soul of CAMALIGAN right now, playing both defense and especially a good offense. Pero sana naman.
Oo, tama ka dyan. Malaking bagay itong si Alexis Himan. Siya yung naging best players ng previous outings nila, previous games nila. Doon pa sa, sa laban natin. Laban nila actually against Iriga and sa laban nila sa semis. Kaya malaki talaga na i-contribute nitong mamang ito na si Alexis Himan, kaya hindi pwedeng mawala siya with an injury.
Yes, partner.
Pero he's good naman, partner, di ba? Mukhang okay na siya.
Meron pa tayong 0.55 seconds sa ating laro. Tingnan natin kung anong na-design play ni Coach Brian Ayo sa mga nalalabing segundo ng ating third quarter.
Let's see kung I think ang titira nito yung malapit sa ring.
Yan, Wawa Ayo for 3. Misses the shot and that ends our third quarter with a score of 68-70. Pabor sa mga taga Naga City Casireños.
Maganda yung naging last play nila dahil nakatira pa talaga itong si Brian Ayo and
Joshua Wawa Ayo.
Joshua Ayo at muntik na silang makalamang doon sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter.
Yes,
and right now we're taking a look at the highlights and as we thank our sponsors, ang Misibis Bay, salamat din po sa Highlands Legazpi and of course sa Hotel St. Elise and sa Hotel Venecia. Of course, yung mga nanonood sa atin online, shout out ko lang, partner. Let me take this opportunity na batiin yung aking anak na si Jerjim Alec Madronio. Ayan, Jerjim Alec Madronio na nanonood ngayon kasama ang Asne family dyan sa Magallanes, Sorsogon. Ayan, mga taga-Telegrapo, happy fiesta sa inyo dyan. Ano?
Yes, ako din, batiin ko ng aking dalawang anak na nanonood nandito sa ating game venue na si Juan Carlos and si Franco Miguel. Enjoy the game and siyempre batiin ko ang Bachelor family and sa side naman ng nanay ko yung Ranyoso family and magandang gabi sa inyo and siyempre sa 1,000 of viewers na nanonood sa atin ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po. Hindi ito magiging posible kung wala sa inyo at sa pagsuporta and siyempre nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico at ang ako Bicol Party List, talagang yung totoo yung sinasabi nila, nakatabang na kasurog pa. Yun nga, partner. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
At hindi lang mga taga-CamSur ang nanonood sa atin, even the other provinces, kagaya ng Sorsogon, Albay, siyempre, marami rin nanonood dyan sa Ligao. Ito si Sir Almond Lisa, nanonood din sa atin. Maraming salamat, Sir Almond. Batiin ko din itong isa pang taga-Ligao, si Dexter Cardiel. Ayan, salamat bro sa panonood, Mr. Dexter Gabriel.
And yun na nga, partner, partner, ito palang pinaglalaban ng prestigyosong kampyonato, partner. Ang mananalo sa atin dito magkakamit ng 200,000 pesos, partner.
Magkano?
200,000 pesos lang naman, partner.
200,000 pesos lang naman. Paano kung matatalo?
First runner-up, 150 pesos. And yung ating second runner-up magkakaroon ng 100,000 pesos. Yan na si Jamil Bulawan inside the paint. Grabe, heavily guarded by Dodo Ignacio. Pableo is ahead, but there is Mon Aureliano intercepting the pass.
That's a risky pass on the part of Babab Santa Maria papunta kay Pableo. At yan na nga naagaw ng mga taga-Naga.
Yan ang Medinilla is now back on the floor. Aureliano against Barde with 11 seconds remaining. What a defense by Sir Barde, ayan na si Kobe Bryant Pableo, waiting for his teammates. And Wawa Ayo, lumapit para i-secure ang possession. Ayan na, Pableo with the pick against Wawa Ayo, gives the ball to Pableo with 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Pableo against Medinilla.
They need to shoot.
Pableo attacks, and he was bumped by Uwe and will troop to the line for 2 free throws.
Hindi man siya nakapuntos on that particular play, nakasungkit naman ang foul mula kay Uwe Medinilla.
Yes, partner, gandang lateral movement sana ni Uwe, but nahuli siya ng konti, kaya doon natamaan ang hita ni Pableo, and now he is in the free throw line for 2 shots.
So may chance tumabla ang Kamaligan ngayon na nasa free throw line itong si Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Yes, Pableo, even he is not scoring heavily, partner, pero yung presence siya sa loob talaga, grabe, partner. So now, I guess he should focus sa laro in order for him to contribute sa kanyang team. You know, partner, 2 for 2 on the part of Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Tabla na naman po tayo sa score na 70 at 9 minutes remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Almario, top of the key 3, misses the shot. Pableo grabs the rebound, gives the ball to Wawa, looking for his teammates. Ayan na si Pableo against Uwe Medinilla. Pableo with the hesitation. And Wawa Ayo, top of the key, gives the ball to Santa Maria for 3. No good. Rebound by Mon Aureliano. Ayaw na si Aureliano is rushing. Hands it up to Medinilla. Butterfingers. Floater misses the shot. But there is Barde securing the possession.
Talagang nagsistruggle itong si Uwe Medinilla sa field.
Ayan na. Ignacio, one-on-one against Bulawan. Misses. But there is Barde grabbing the offensive rebound by blocked by Aureliano.
Ayan na si Jerome Almario.
What a defense on the part of Wawa Ayo. Grabe talaga, partner, ang pinapakita ni Ayo pagdating sa depensa.
Oo, hindi man siya nakakascore as expected with those big bombs mula sa labas. Pero sa defense, nandun naman itong si Wawa Ayo.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Uwe Medinilla who's still struggling right now. May pick na binigay kay Bulawan. Misses the shot. Villaflor securing the possession. With 10 seconds remaining, Medinilla attacks. Drops it up to Bulawan. Wawa Villaflor for 3. No good. Rebound by Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Ayan, eto na ang mga taga-Kamaligan na naman. May chance ang makalamang sa laban na ito.
What a spin by Babab against, ayan na, with 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Bulawan. Santa Maria, challenge by Bulawan. Finds the bottom of the net. Grabe, partner.
Nakikita ko mula dito na talagang ititira ni Babab ang bolang yon.
Grabe, partner. Babab Santa Maria finds the bottom of the net. Ayan na si Almario with a crossover against Dodoy Ignacio. Grabe, partner.
Binawi naman kaagad nitong si Jerome. Pero nakakalamang pa rin po ang Kamaligan ng 1 puntos.
Ayan na, Wawa Ayo, very steady pagdating. Ayan na, gives the ball to the point guard. Wawa against Wawa Villaflor. Ayo is ahead, using the glass, attacking the defense but misses the shot. Pableo securing the possession. Pableo attacks with the floater. Binigay kay Ignacio sa ilalim, misses the shot.
Sayang.
Aureliano securing the possession. Ayan na si Almario against 2 violet shirts. Aureliano waits for his teammates. Aureliano attacks. Misses the shot. Kobe Bryant securing the rebound. Ayan na. Babap is ahead against Villaflor. Babap attacks. Fakes. Up and under. Misses the shot. Babap again for the rebound and scoring for 2.
And Babap Santa Maria is doing wonders right now para sa Team Kamaligan. Getting his own miss and making things happen para sa kanyang kupunan.
Ayan na. What a bad pass on the part of Bowe. Ayan na si Pableo against Almario. Grabe, partner, hindi na magmayaw ang ating mga players dito dahil
partner, 6 minutes na lang, kakalamang ang Kamaligan ng 3 at mapupunta pa sa mga taga-Kamaligan ng possession after this timeout. Whew, what a game! Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Championship Series. Ito po ang potahe en grande na talagang hatid namin sa inyo para kayo ay mabusog ngayong gabi as we take a look at that replay sa play na yon ni Babap Santa Maria and yung bawi naman nitong si Jerome Almario with that right hand layup. At eto pa, isa pang magandang tira ni Babap Santa Maria, getting his own rebound, miss and doing the putback. Woo, grabe. Again, ito po ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldeco at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurug pa.
Grabe, partner. I'm speechless right now. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang mangyayari sa mga nalalabing 6 na minuto at 7 segundo ng ating fourth quarter.
We will see kung ano.
Camaligan is now in the possession. Pableo, challenged by J.R. Quinyan, misses the shot. 2 white shirts nagawan sa bola, nakuha ni Barde ang bola.
Miscommunication on the
Ignacio for
NAGA.
3. No good, but there is Alexander Lim grabbing the rebound. Okay na. Lim is rushing against Wawa Ayo, gives the ball to Tiburcio. Open, challenge, and scoring for 2.
Nice shot mula kay Julius Tiburcio kontra kay Dodoy Ignacio.
Ignacio is daring Tiburcio to take the shot, and yun na nga, talagang tumira si Tiburcio confidently at naipasok naman niya. Ayan na si Pableo, 1-on-1 against Quinyan, stops and pops. Misses the shot, but there's Pableo again securing using the left hand. Misses the shot.
Hindi sinisiguro ni Pableo yung mga tira niya.
What a shot, partner. Pero grabe yung atake, ay grabe yung depensa na pinapakita ni Wawa Ayo talaga sa ating mga guards.
May ipapakita naman, partner, ang ating reporter na si Jessa Navales. Jessa, please come in.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Kapap Morgs. This is indeed a battle of powerhouse here in Camarines Sur. Coaches of Team NAGA acknowledge the players for having a good starting point. As per Coach Peter Barcelon, he's happy that the players are able to do their roles. However, Camaligan maximizes well second chance of points. Kaya ayon kay Coach Peter, right now, it's a game of adjustment. Nasundan pa nga ito ng paalala na matagal na kayong naglalaro at alam nyo na ang dapat nyong gawin. So this is Jasmine Navales at tutok lang dito lang sa Ako Bicol Camarines Sur na mapapanood sa Ako Bicol Kappa Quartales sa Facebook page, Representative Zalico, Ako Bicol Online TV at Ako Bicol YouTube channel. So yan muna ang latest mula dito sa Nagas Branch. Back to the Coach and Kappa Morgs.
Maraming salamat, Jasmine Navales.
Maraming salamat. Ayan na si Tiburcio attacking, losing the ball. What a strip on the part of Kobe Bryant Pableo. Yun na nga, partner, this game daw is all about adjustments and matagal na silang magkakasama on sa Naga side. Kaya tingnan natin kung ano ang gagawin ng Naga City sa larong ito.
Sino ba ang tatagal sa paggawa ng mga adjustments na after adjustments?
Yes, wala. Huwag tayong kukura, partner, dahil lumapit na ang ating writer na si Sir Iris. Talaga pinakita na meron na tayong 10,000 plus viewers sa ating ngayong Facebook Live. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Record breaking. Maraming salamat po sa mga live watchers natin, sa mga Facebook pages natin at sa ating YouTube channel.
Babap misses the shot and the ball will remain to Camaligan.
And they will still have a chance para makalamang sa larong ito right now at 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining, 14 seconds remaining or para sa kanilang shot clock. Itong Team Camaligan.
Ignacio Pableo is open. J.R. Quinyan is daring him to take the shot. But Pableo with 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, hands it off to Babap for 3. Short rebound by Julius Tiburcio. But there is again Heman. And Heman is called for a foul.
Napakalaking rebound yon para kay Julius Tiburcio, para sa kanyang koponan.
Grabe, partner. Halos lahat ng players nakatukod na sa kanilang mga tuhod because siguro sa pagod na nararamdaman. And meron tayong report sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Cassandra. Miss Cassandra, take it away.
Coach John and DJ Morgan, for the fourth and last quarter, Coach Ayo reminded the players to stick to their roles and responsibilities as an individual and as a part of the team. They are ordered to improve and strengthen the rebound and have to maintain the momentum. Hindi naman nagkakalayo ang scores ng dalawang team, kaya patuloy ang suporta na binibigay ng mga coaches upang tulungan ng mga players kung ano ang dapat nilang gawin sa loob ng hard court. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Ayan, mula naman sa panig ng mga taga-Kamaligan, Miss Cassandra Seton, maraming salamat. Ayan, nagkaroon ng run kanina. It's actually 1 against almost, was that 4?
Yes, partner.
Ang sinugod nitong si Kobe Bryant Pableo at buti na lang nakasungkit siya ng foul after making that bad pass patungo sa kanyang kalaban.
Pasensya na, partner, wala akong naintindihan sa report dahil wala na akong marinig talaga totally dahil sa dami ng taong nanonood dito. And nag-text ang aking kaibigan na si Kevin Yuta na batiin ko daw siya. And ang K3, ano yan, basta nagbibenta ng sapatos si Kevin.
Big three-pointer mula kay Kobe Bryant Pableo sa harap ni J.R. Kenyahan.
And that three-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis. And yun na nga, partner. And the lead is now to Kamaligan side with 78-76. And meron na tayong 11,000 viewers, partner, sa ating Facebook Live.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Although sabi ko, I was expecting 15,000 viewers, pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, kaya nating abutin ng 12K views.
Pagbibigyan tayo niyan, partner. Ayan na, Bang Sablaon misses the shot. Ignacio with the rebound. Gives the ball to their point guard na si Iman. Ayan na, Kobe Bryant Pableo's feeling right now.
May pagkakataon ng Team Kamaligan na madagdagan pa itong kalamangan nila. 2 lang po ang kalamangan.
Pableo for 3. No good, but Alexis Himan securing the rebound. Grabe, partner.
What a big rebound na naman yon mula kay Alexis Himan. Talagang itong mamang ito, kahit saan mo dalhin. Sabi mo nga kanina, he's doing
it all on offensive and defensive side talaga, partner. Mind you, partner, na-injured pa siya kanina, but still yung hustle and intensity same pa rin as the first quarter hanggang sa final quarter.
Ganon ang isang Alexis Himan.
Himan attacking 3 white shirt but misses the shot.
Almost making that one pero kinulang.
Ayan na si Almario. But there is, grabe, partner. Yun ang magandang depensa lang pinapakita sa transition ng Kamaligan side.
Nice hustle on the part of
Leonel Barde.
Leonel Barde.
Police officer still but playing this big kind of league talaga, partner. Saludo sa inyo. And the score is 78-76 in favor of Kamaligan with 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining sa ating 4th and final quarter.
Kailangan makascore ang mga taga-Naga ngayon.
Ayan na, Alvario behind the back dribble against Babap. Fakes, bigs the ball to Lim with 4 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Kicks it out to J.R. Kinyan for 3. No good. Rebound by Barde.
Tama yung ginawa ni Dodoy Ignacio. Tinip na lang niya yung bola para kay Leonel Barde for the rebound.
Ayan na, Babap humihingi ng pick, binigay. Babap with a crossover. Sabi niya, isa pa. Babap, what a defense by Alexander Lim. And now Tiburcio is alone and flies and scores for 2!
At tinabla ang larong ito sa score na 78.
Yes, partner, and now we are heading sa ating twilight zone. Kumbaga, partner, malapit na tayo sa ating last 2 minutes and we are now tied 78 all.
Oo, tabla po tayo.
Partner, ito na yung sinasabi. Kapit ulit, partner.
Nagkamali doon itong si Babap Santa Maria or talagang mabilis lang ang depensa.
Yes, I guess that sequence, partner, talagang kita mo yung determination ng isang Alexander Lim to defend a scoring guard na si Babap Santa Maria, and nagwagi siya dahil napakagandang defensive stop, and that lead to a fast break ng Naga City.
Oo, tama. So ayan na, sinabi ko sa iyo, kaya nating umabot ng 12K viewers. So maraming salamat po sa ating mga live viewers. 12,000 po kayo na nanonood ngayon. Apuera pa nung mga nanonood sa atin dito na nakasama natin sa Fuerte Sports Complex. Ang maximum capacity nito ay I think nasa 6,000. 6,000. At mayroon pa tayong mga tao sa labas.
Yes, partner, yun na nga. Kumakaway ang aking anak kasama doon sa nandito sa loob ng Sports Complex na si Juan Carlos Bachiller at si Franco Miguel who is watching right now.
And again, batiin ko si Jerjim Alec Madronio na nanonood ngayon doon sa bahay ng aking biyanan sa Magallanes, Sorsogon, sa Telegrapo. Yan, magandang gabi sa inyo.
Yes.
I'm sure nag-enjoy kayo sa larong ito.
Yes, speaking of nanonood ang ating butiing commissioner na si Sir Lloyd Rivera, who is very on hand. Maraming salamat po, Commissioner, sa suporta na binibigay nyo. Pableo. Yan na, Babap with the fake. Babap for 3. No
Short.
good. Sablaon is ahead, gives the ball to Lim against Barde. What a defense on the part of Lionel Barde. Grabe, partner. Kita mo, nakatayo lang.
Oo, nakatayo lang naman doon. Itong si Lionel Barde.
Grabe. Standing his own ground is Lionel Barde against the streaking Lim. Pero good defensive stop, partner. Lakas ng pangangatawan kaya na-stop niya isang Lim.
Iba yung training ng isang
yes, partner.
PNP, ano?
Yes, partner. Yung courage. Ayan na si Almario. Heavily guarded niya si Himan. Pableo, one-on-one against Kinyahan. And now we are at the twilight zone. Pableo attacks. And the ball will remain with 9 seconds remaining on Camaligan side.
Kobe Bryant attacking really hard kontra sa matinding depensa nitong si JR Kenyahan. Nakawala ang bola pero it will remain dito sa mga naka-purple na mga taga-Camaligan.
Yes, partner, ito nakita ko sa ating likod ang mga crowd na nakatayo. Kaway-kaway kayo dyan, mga bossing. Maraming salamat sa panonood and pagsuporta sa amin. Thank you po.
Ayan, again, tabla po tayo sa score na 78. Under 2 minutes na lamang po. So talagang very crucial ang larong ito. Kahit sino po pwede manalo. Again, sinasabi po natin na sa mga seryeng ganito, mas nagkakaroon ng tsansa na makuha ang kampyonato ng unang nakakapanalo.
Yes, yun na nga, shoutout kay Pre and si Saiso. Thanks for watching. Maraming salamat. Yan na si Pableo. Fall away jumper, misses the shot. Sablaon secures the possession. Ayan na, meron tayong pressure defense. Sablaon is ahead against Babap. Sablaon attacks using the glass but misses the shot. Pableo.
Big rebound on the part of Pableo.
Ayan na, partner. Babap humihingi ng pick. Babap for 3.
Bang!
Money!
A big shot!
Money!
Kay Babap Santa Maria!
And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. That is money for you, Babap Santa Maria.
Ganun kakumpiyansa ang mamang ito. Ibang klase!
And now the lead is on the side of Camaligan. Ayan na si Lim. Attacking Ignacio using the right hand. Misses the shot. Tiburcio against sa ilalim. And he was fouled. And grabe, partner, yung intensity na labanan sa ilalim against Tiburcio and Ignacio, partner.
Grabe, natulala for the meantime ang kupunan ng Naga dahil sa big 3-pointer na yon ni Babap Santa Maria. Parang they don't know what to do on that possession. Kaya ayan.
Yes, partner, it's a case. Ay, oh my God.
Merong
I've seen
duguan
Bang
tayo.
Sablaon.
Bang Sablaon, merong dumudugo. Rolling.
Yan ang partner. Yung 3-point shot made by Babap Santa Maria kanina.
That's one of the biggest shot na nakita natin dito.
Yes,
sa liga natin.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Hitting those big shots is Babap Santa Maria for you. Talagang typical. Yung talagang, kumbaga, ang puso ni Babap Santa Maria when it comes sa mga crucial games. Iba, partner.
Tama yung ginawa niya na itira niya yon. Kasi sino ang titira? Siya ang may pinakamagandang performance ngayong gabi.
Yes,
at nandun yung feel. And alam ko na nafe-feel niya yung mga tira niya na talagang papasok right even before throwing those bombs away.
Yes, partner. Indeed, with 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter, lamang ng 3 puntos ang Camaligan. So, kapit mga kaibigan. And syempre, this is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List. And syempre, ng ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico. Maraming salamat po sa andaying support na pinapakita at binibigay sa ating mga Bicolano. And syempre, all over the Philippines.
Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat mga kasarog.
And syempre, partner, hindi lang tayo napapanood sa Pilipinas, partner.
Opo, syempre.
Yun na nga, partner,
ayan
sinasabi.
13K viewers na po tayo.
Meron tayong 13,000 plus viewers, partner. Grabe. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo.
Asan ba kayo kanina?
Dito sila nanood dahil alam nila this is going to be a war, kumbaga, sa ating fourth quarter.
And right now, Julius Tiburcio will be shooting free throws. 78-81, nakakalamang po ng 3 ang Camaligan.
This is a pressure back free throws on the part of Tiburcio. Tignan natin. And calmly 6, the first one is Julius Tiburcio, partner.
Pasok na pasok yan, partner.
Yes, much to the delight of Naga City Casireños nung pumasok ang free throw shot ni Julius Tiburcio.
Ayan, big free throws ang pinapapakawalan ngayon itong malaking mama ng Naga na si Julius Tiburcio.
Grabe, partner. Calmly 6, 2 free throws. Ganon ka-focus ang isang Julius Tiburcio.
At alam niya kung gaano ka-importante ang tirang yon.
Yes, partner. Yun na. With 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining, the score is 80-81 in favor of Camaligan.
Nakakalamang pa rin po ang Camaligan ng 1 puntos. Nasa kanila ngayon ang bola.
Ayan na, Babap against, one-on-one against Almario. Babap for 3! Money for Babap Santa Maria!
3 points after 3 points! What more can you ask for?
Yes, indeed. What more can you ask for? This is a Bicol Cup basketball for you.
And I am Kapa Morgan. My partner is...
Ako si Wadi John Bachiller bringing you this special game 1 for you. Woo! Grabe, partner. And now the lead is up to 4 points. Partner, with 51 seconds as we take a look. Yan na nga, partner. What a pick na binigay kay Ignacio. Ayun na nga, partner. A 3-point bomb made by Babap Santa Maria.
Alam na ni Babap at alam na ng mga kakampi niya na pag nandun siya behind the arc, kailangan niya lang na magkaroon ng magandang screen, magandang look ng tira, and he will drain those 3-pointers. Yes, sigurado yan. So, yes, ibang klase ang talent na ipinapakita po nitong Babap Santa Maria sa ganitong napaka-intense na laban, napakalaking laro para sa kanila.
Yes, partner, indeed. Grabe, di tayo magkamayaw dito sa ating Fuerte Sports Complex. Ito na, partner, this is it. This is our twilight zone with 51 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Ito na. This is winning time. Naga needs to make a shot.
I guess if Almario, if he's open, he can take those 3-point bomb. But for today, tingnan natin kung ano ang plano na ginawa ni Coach Nuki. And kapit tayo, mga kaibigan. Partner, kapit.
Yes, yung mga fans ng Naga, talagang kapit na sa mga oras na to.
Ayan na si Kinyan against Kobe Bryant. Pavleo gives the ball to Bang Sablaon. Heavily guarded by Barde. Sablaon for 3.
No.
This is the shot, but Almario securing the possession. What a crossover. Bang Sablaon for 3. No good. Rebound by Leonel Barde. And he was fouled.
Views tayo.
Yun na nga, partner. This is not yet over, partner, with 31 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
Kung mananalo dito ang Camaligan, hindi natin masasabing upset dahil talagang closely.
Yes, partner, this is evenly matched. Kumbaga,
evenly matched ang laban na ito.
This is a very important free throws on the part of Leonel Barde. Calmly 6, the first one. Grabe, partner. Much to the delight of Camaligan fans who went here just to support their own team.
31 seconds left.
Ayan na si Barde. 2 for 2. On the part of Barde, we are now 30. Ayan na si Almario rushing. Binigay kay Jer Kinyan. Give it go. Almario with the layup.
Nice play, nice play. Buhay pa ang Naga, buhay pa ang Naga.
This is anybody's ball game. Ayan na si Lim, intercept the pass.
Ayan na
gives the ball to Sablaon. Sablaon attacks, kicks it out to Almario. For 3. No good, Tiburcio is ahead. And he was stuck and fouled. Partner, this is just a 4-point lead. And Naga City is now in the free throw line. And this is the chance to Naga to decrease the lead without na hindi gumagalaw ang oras.
And ang titira sa free throw line ay itong si
Tiburcio.
Julius Tiburcio, who made those 2 crucial free throws kanina. Yeah. So I think, eto sabihin ko na, I think it's going to be the same result. Yes, so sabihin na natin na magiging 84 ang score nila.
Huwag naman, baka mabati natin si Julius Tiburcio. And yan na nga yung drums. na binibigay. Agis, what
Sabi
a shot!
ko sa'yo eh!
And partner, tama ka dyan partner. And it's anybody's goal game with 17 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto.
And isa pa, magiging dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Kamaligan.
Ayan na, Tiburcio with the last free throw. Misses the shot, but there is Ignacio securing the possession. Outlets to Babab. Babab Santa Maria. Gives the ball to Barde. Ayan na si Lim. Ahead, stops and pops for 3. Misses the shot. And it is over. Game 1 is for Camaligan.
It's Kamaligan's basketball! 86-83!
Grabe partner, what more can you ask? A big size crowd and a good game 1 for us partner. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
And this Fuerte Sports Complex is about to explode!
Yes partner, indeed partner. Grabe naman yun partner.
What a big win mula sa Kamaligan.
Partner, from our pre-game, sabi natin talaga this is going to be a classic battle. Yun na nga binigay sa atin ng dalawang kupunan. Grabe partner, hats off to Naga City and Camaligan.
Pero po, hindi pa sila champion ha.
Yes partner.
Serie po ito, best of 3 series.
Yes, we have a game 2 partner, which is on Friday dito pa rin sa Fuerte Sports Complex.
Again, for 200,000 pesos.
Yes partner.
And yung pride na meron ka.
Yes partner talaga. And yun na nga partner, gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga nanonood dito at pumunta pa. Kasi yung Naga City and Camaligan magkalapit lang. Pumunta pa sila dito just to watch their teams talaga. Doon pa lang, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
And sulit na sulit naman ang kanilang panonood. Mapanaga man sila o mapakamaligan, talagang I'm sure na nag-enjoy sila sa larong ito. Kagaya natin, masyado tayong na-excite.
Yes partner, indeed. Grabe yung larong pinapakita ng both teams partner. And syempre, this will be
oras na siguro para tayo ay magpasalamat. First and foremost, syempre, sa ating Almighty God for giving us this opportunity na maging bahagi nitong historic game dito sa Fuerte Sports Complex for Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And of course, pasalamatan natin Congressman Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List dahil kung wala sa kanila, wala tayo dito ngayon. Of course, we have to thank both teams, ang koponan ng Naga at ang team ng Camaligan na uuwi ng mas masaya ngayon dahil sa kanilang big win dito sa ating serye. Sila po ang unang nakasungkit ng panalo para po sa ating Game 1 ng ating Potahe en Grande Championship Series ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Grabe partner, naubusan ako ng salitang pwedeng sabihin dahil sa ganda ng laro na pinakita ng dalawang teams partner. And syempre partner, salamat sa iyo at dahil talagang napapaganda pa natin ang laro dahil sa mga grabe partner.
Ay tayong dalawang dapat dyan isa lang tayo sa mga parte ng napakalaking team ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Tama ka dyan. Siyempre headed by our commissioner, ang ating butihing commissioner si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, who is very on hand and laging nandito sa ating mga venues. And siyempre ang kanyang kapatid who is part of the committee na si Sir Ino Rivera. Magandang gabi talaga sa inyo. And thank you very much. And siyempre kay Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List sa walang sawang suporta na binibigay nila.
Salamat din sa IMBC, ang Infinity Media Broadcasting Company sa napakagandang coverage nito kung saan parte po tayo sa pangunguna po ni Direk Christian Calleja.
And ang mga bosses na si Miss Russell and si Sir
RJ Edosma.
Salamat po.
And of course sa lahat ng mga LGUs na nag-participate dito. No?
Salamat po sa
lalong-lalo na sa dalawang kupunan na naglalaban ngayon dito sa ating serye. Again, nanalo po ang kupunan ng Camaligan kontra sa Naga Casireños. And we're just waiting kung sino ang tatanghaling kasurog player of the game sa partikular na larong ito. Napaka-intense, matindi talaga ang naramdaman natin.
Yes, partner. What an adjustment on the part of Brian Ayo. Filling in Lionel Barde sa last minutes ng laro para sa isang defensive stop, partner. Grabe yung defensive stop na pinakita ni Lionel Barde and sinking those two important free throws kanina, partner.
And kudos siyempre sa ating arena announcer na si Sir Angelo Espinosilia. Talagang napakaganda. Goosebumps sa intro pa lang kanina. Sa call out ng mga players, talagang feel mo na yung vibes of a championship series dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Alright, ayan na yung mga number 1 fans mo, partner. Nakaabang na. Alright, sige. Once again, ako po si Kapa Morgan and kasama ko si John Bachiller.
And tama nga, kasama si Wadi John Bachiller at your service talaga. And sana naman napasaya namin kayong mga nanonood.
Kahit hindi tayo minsan nagkakaintindihan dahil sa sobrang ingay ng mga tao dito sa loob ng punong-puno, jump pack. Actually, may mga gusto pang pumasok kanina.
Oo, pero hindi na nakapasok.
Pero hindi na pwede kasi nga, siyempre, yung security na mini-maintain natin. So, maraming salamat din sa lahat ng mga kapulisan na tumulong sa atin para sa ating peace and order situation dito po sa loob at sa labas ng ating venue.
Yan nga, maraming salamat sa inyo. And puntahan na natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Miss Carmela. Siguro para kapayanamin ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game. Carmela, take it away.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kaba Morgs and Coach John. And right now with me is our kasurog player of the game. Walang iba kundi si jersey number 25, Mark Lester Santa Maria, scoring 39 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steals. Ayan, congratulations to you and your team. This game is like a deja vu. Grabe yung labanan nyo sa pagitan ng NAGA and CAMALIGAN. At nasungkit nyo ang unang panalo dito sa ating finals, best of 3. So, how was it? Kamusta yung pakiramdam na naipanalo nyo ito ngayong gabi?
Unang-una, nung first half, medyo nahirapan kami mag-adjust kasi ang lalaki ng mga players ng NAGA. So, nag-focus muna kami sa depensa. Tapos, yung opensa, yung mga tira ko, siguro may kasamang swerte. Tiyaga lang kami sa depensa. Kasi lamang yung NAGA nung first half eh. Kaya nung second half, sabi ko, huwag tayong magkumpiyansa, habol pa tayo kasi mahaba pa naman yung oras.
Ayan, so ito mabilisang tanong lang, Mark Lester, ready na ba kayo sa Friday, sa second game dito sa finals?
Siguro mag-active rest muna kami bukas kasi may game to pa eh. Bawal kami magkumpiyansa, baka makabawi pa yung NAGA. So go hard lang kami siguro sa game 2. Yun lang.
That's it. May karagdagan tanong po ba kayo, Kapa Morgs and Coach John?
Yes, Bob, congratulations for being the kasurog player of the game. Bob, kita ko, noong fourth quarter talagang nag-take over ka. Ano yung mindset mo, partner? Dahil talaga kita ko, nagsasagutan kayo ni El Mario. Ano nag-inspire sa'yo para kunin ang bola, tumira ng mga crucial shots?
Yun nga, si Jerome nag-trash talk pero teammates kami yan. So nung pagkasunod laro, sabi ko, wala yun, yun na yun, game 1 na yun, kalimutan na yun. Sa game 2 na lang kami kita ulit.
Okay. So, Bob Santa Maria, ito si Kapa Morgan, and meron lang akong katanungan. Unang-una, congratulations once again. Maraming beses na sa tingin ko ay isa ka sa naging, or ikaw yung magiging kasurog player of the game, magmula pa sa ating quarterfinals. Pero finally, dito mismo sa series nyo, sa finals, ay ikaw ang unang naging kasurog player of the game. So once again, congratulations. Ano ba ang magiging paghahanda nyo sa game 2 para makuha nyo na finally ang kampyonato?
Siguro mag-a-adjust sila sa akin, yung mga shots ko sa labas. Siguro yun yung pagpo-focus nila sa akin, yung sa depensa nila sa akin. Kaya sana makapag-ready pa kami, yung mga teammates ko, kailangan mag-adjust sila.
Paano ka ba nagkakaroon ng ganong kumpiyansa in draining those kind of shots?
Hindi ko siguro yung routine ko bago mag-game. Siguro take shots lang ng ilan, then focus na sa game, stretch.
Parang hindi ka kinakabahan sa mga tirang yun
Yes.
Anyway, congratulations once again. Partner, meron ka pa katanungan?
Wala na, congratulations Bob. See you sa game 2.
Ayan, may gusto ka bang batiin o pasalamatan lalong-lalo yung mga sumusuporta sa'yo? Go ahead.
Unang-una, salamat sa LGU ng Camaligan, supporters ng Team Camaligan, kay Mayor Jano, kay Boss Roger, and sa Cuadro de Alas, sa wife ko, kay Rica, sa mga anak ko, then kay Nanay Julie, kay Mama Tess, sa bayaw ko, kay Nico, kay Ate Ann, then sa mga Tapat Boys. Yun lang. Sa lahat din ng supporter, salamat sa inyo.
And once again, congratulations. At dito na nga nagtatapos mga kasurog ang ating first game dito sa ating finals. Kaya on behalf of Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, Ako Bicol Representative Lloyd Rivera, Technical Head Director Christian Calleja, at ang mga kasama natin sa panel, Coach John and Coach Morgs, and yours truly, Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pag-antabay mga kasurog dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. At magkita-kita muli tayo sa Friday, June 30 para dito sa ating second game. Maraming salamat and good night.